part-time one more money for any kwada when you feel you train ka ho.
Angel Rock Mixture, the Kasama, FDA, Ajedi and Kratoyato.
Mempotemu. Yede mempotemu bre wo Ghana Akoma so wa Akoma 87.9 FM. Mempotemu. Edwada kosi fiada. Yanka yempotemu ha ontempanimfo. Na won to ho anamon entihia me. Sir John, me ne mapamfo wo Akoma 87.9 FM. Ghana Akoma dwumadi so. Mempotemu. Right, I'm just for Yadama Sima Makwaba Haya Akoma 87.9 FM. Miana mabna miana na se anopay. I don't know si akasia no de abrɛ braso so se to aso na ye no to aso free hand so na ye koye nim. And anopay oko Facebook ay live. Ewo ho Akoma 87.9 FM on Facebook. Na also so I like it. Na wa comment wo share so afoforo benya bi ahwe. Nkoma ayebedi na anopay doso. Solano update ewo nsuo a etotone flooding yebeye then enra zuba eba ha me di nkomo owieye no in fact odani chiremu ewo this Santase ahojo stretch na ede na course wo ho okawa ha se yes oma movie omo casa omo de koye demolition Claire kwano ho said ebeya stretch no dwumadi ebe koso kwan a mo ba betremu ne ho nsam nyina so atimi akoso kama anopa ebe he said ye eno so sikoye enram se ma o moton niema wo kwan ho mo tiem nyasem ketwa o na ebo mi radu tieku aba ahoma no so ma me nkɔ ne hɔ na opani fa yenwram na ye hwe said ye na wiem besi aye no pay hwe e bonu wo mu pa but nyina no mirror du tie ku nanim de asie e me hwe na mi so ta opani
John
Martin mirror
John me so
87.9 but so ho ye de
na me adom o ni nko adom mo ye ka
e da nyame ase e ha so ye ha ba na yɛn hwɛ de wiem ɛbɛyɛ nnɛ
John na da na machia atieko na na katamini ama no mo no papa no papa no ma ja demolition no account no omchede panye easy to ni mapa wo baby na odidwa na ele be banesa ni na ni mu ntira batade Perdão, anopai yebehwe a miame bi won ma wiemati na se ewia no itone wa ene o kana tin from the study o kana bono asi wo miame abebe ani nyina manche ewia no beti na abono ase na no peta no siambi mu so ko takwa bini no kota mo na ebe expect you kaka na so mba petiment na ni area area no so ata beach area ni jina mo temperature no ko 33 degrees Celsius oko costa do ko 32 na oko Ghana different from so ko 35 no really pie kakra no there is no siambi no so part of Marfo, part of Ashanti region benya issue the menso no ebegugu maybe yana ebenya
hey mirana ibi o line mo
pacha kemenka
aha fe beton kapa
ati for panchem say and some parts of Kumasi and part of Ashanti region in Ghana no and then so many widespread near me everyone man be Kumasi Yes, you have any Japan free base in yeah, Krobia.
Okay, Mira, yeah, that's it. And I'll pay 87.9. That's a pa na Sammy is on the other side.
So John.
Bruh. I want to say.
So John, how you?
Yeah, then I say, I have to say. Anyway, now say, I don't pay what's from there.
Yes, from.
Hey, oh, honey. And they see from who? And they see from na a Juma.
Okay.
Na where there before say be a neno. Obeko animu. And I know your mammy back or say or try a war online.
Okay.
Now toy no said it now no would cheer for no. Sa dear na me drew a cheersy council, dear na me drew that.
Okay.
Inti and they know. Or no crash screenshot to be they are sending me.
Okay.
Say no so case free the donaso.
Okay.
Yes. And now on me emubako. Yes. We read films between donaso and 87.9. Inti sadie you say ye kai ye humbiu kakra.
Okay.
He said e ho akohia.
Okay.
Ho akohia pa. Niema ototo ye na we nyina no. Osende ede emame.
Okay.
Yeah, chere say.
Now, Sir John, on say omo omudi say adwuma omo true di e wo omo kasemu. Adina wo toy free ni hono. Here say obi person obi tell ade ne kwa ni so send obi use no. The obi can say oh himfa. Now what can bro no was no aka say oh so hwe na so okuma so aka just on okonongo. Nti send ni sika no fa de ne nyeden. Emani car embro ni good station a omo be fro. Nti enhwe sa de ne nso. Say ade na open nipa no be can be say oh himfa. Onye busa ya open location or account the fufu a wonye den on mail. Na the next step obe ni say when you send ni sika. It don't have the corporate no nipa no so o say me ton computer. O friend me ameto me bo ase a check your computer no specs by your and na say send your computer ni ti adwuma and sakran na discussem so no. I'm go for the from the here first location ni sika. Nti yenhwe na you who be beside by also. And I also say, John, idea full be online no. In pain the brain, yeah, and no correct. And the phone cry is John no call German so 5,000 Ghana cedi. No who know online so be it on 1,200. Okay, oh wait, yeah, my name go try miss throw. Oh, yeah, no be na get to di gaboka. It was an your man and your man child say. Uncle Fu, no chrono moody. Also TikTok on so no. If you see, I didn't know for to do the comment section. It's you comment. I don't know why so I understand because on the side need be a deal for one person or mobile comment na one who know I the waka so money. So yeah, no do the comment section. No I dey already all ye.
I get it. Indeed. Yeah, has any money in any channels.
Okay.
Okay.
And also, the wire report amount no. Next no. Mepe MTN Momo fraud. Line the amount now the amount. Then all reporting because the number no the can no be doing a buy there or yet there you don't back or then or yeah and found the Ghana card I so report here. The bit near the Hujuma, I'm almost tired. Absolutely.
Anyway, what we are no so the card brain and family.
Okay, so I don't also in degree or go out here hacking the phone or person who say and the question hacking the phone. So Obi, I can't see hacking the phone. Either say the idea of friend spyware after so. yeah, monitor phone on a day. Commodity be a woody, another transaction be our phone so I day. Akoma in Pacono. Now, spywares may do what who to an extent say. Oh, type you do a phone so no, and answer all chatting or have a screenshot it. Let that come out with Pacro. Because we go as far as WhatsApp chat or messages no, the cost spyware application is so. Obi tumi saw camera no cry. Phone so should be our abroad in your day, and that's all. Now, that's spyware. Install good phone be also as a John idea and say a hiding a home. Remember, I hiding a home. Applications do a use and our services do a use. Another phone application log because phone application log the aqua. About the list of applications about your Google phone so. It's in the brain and some applications no any legitimate over who no need logo. Logo one any Android logo I the logo the Android logo. And none of application now person who says I did this our phone one Android logo app view or app lock so and app list so now person who says app then they are now share permissions are AUC. If you are going to say, I don't know where I remember so permission may use location, or use messages, or use microphone, or use camera, or use call log. It tells you say the application, you know, it may a winning and down because legitimate application Diana obeys all these kind of permissions, you know. Or you have to obey you at official logo. Tell you who say app ready Bonnie company crowd is also born a day. A bomb. Semester brand piano or application list to me. National application get any legitimate logo from company piano. Let's share me permissions the permissions not extra was one. Delete the application no. Let's hear the use of phone as you cancel.
I see. Nti any logo a
Patani.
yenye careful.
Yenye careful.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Yeah. Okay, nti minia yada se anopai. Ya na adesua no say na no wa oti adanse no the way awofo no omo kosi omo ma wo school no so ho omo no omo na edru sa segment we mu bie nti da wa ma no ya na ha dwen nti ja bende unsi fam kra be adwuma nti why adwuma no pay da se pa yami adomo a ochina no message amenya na no ene se ebia obi yusu wawe na ne wawe app gallery no onya app bi wo so as if you got third party be ho now akwa download bi aba and advisable na
87.9 Kumasi.
Into ochina yami admo ochina nti unse phones ni bi ho mo kasa omo app gallery eno na oma ho kwan so betimi akọ nti bia wo pese wo kọ a different platform download ya na wa won ne say ade a wo yi bibi ba nti is it something advisable and at what point and ye nyina be gia tum say me phone no app bi ho na me pe wo bi phone so na say me ni bia wo say me te ase at what point no say me te ase sa ti ame admo china ye be sia sa de no why
87.9
yeah that's it Sammy I'm saying for any Samuel Kwame Adomako or a cyber security expert. And I didn't come on pay. Very important. Very, very, very important. Pass you know see be so na aboye papa. They are not they be American say se ye gibre na se ye de sua de a se wamfa ebre no na je se yase no nti niema bi wo ho a hye no nso wa ha
87.9
on this platform hye no nso emaye said de be ya ye nyina nso no ye betimi akoye nim na because phones here ben niema bebre wo mu a ofa phone no a o timi hwe dins we ye den aso ma me nchiao me nua so aso ba ma anopa me chiao pa bi mo ho mutimi fifi ba se same be ma gime phone ko da ho o de na me de phone na chew ko ye mo adwuma ma me I see enti abusia ya be koye nim na anra ya ne zuba di nkomo anra in fact ya ne zuba nkomo no na pay a plan near focus air sanitation that is it. You focus near sanitation. Jinra enya bre edin commercial kwan a croy mu ha betimi adi ye huni. Eno kan sem bi wi pani bi frɛ me. O se eduru bre bi a o hwɛ se nipa boapayo pa
Akoma FM
ya pra no de abegu ho ya pra no de abegu ho wa hyeda se opese ogu pani bi anim ase duru be bi ana aye ne se won fa sa nkrofo nyina anya nananom ni we had a lot of discussion. In fact, enra yi din komo pa enwa chi na osifem. In fact, enra osifo waka wa se mo amu sa kwan no so nyina no obom kokko from Santas runabout. Ekwa from Ahojo runabout. Ekwa de kosi Santas runabout. Yomaka ya din komo yi se sa kwan no. Jaikafo sikasemo ne ade aban awie akasa adwuma ne be koso. Ekwan no ye ba mu ama traffic from asokwan interchange so sifam eko traffic e woso ne ade nyina no penifo so mo hwe na omaye adwuma ne yie na ya tre kwan nim se de be ya ye kɔ ne abadie ye kɔ ye ba ebeboa na nra zuba wie ye osifam and we have some pictures and videos and on by Facebook page Akoma 87.9 I bet me also bet my join here Akoma 87.9 pictures and videos ni nyina so no
Akoma FM 87.9
ya de mawo na the focus ni say e wo say ekwan no mo wo kwan no nchen earlier notice by I remember say momo abo amoho omudi kan be clear kwan baby giving others opportunity say ombe movie me ankasa kra na at a point me busa ne say na de adwuma no wo ma nya na because ya be pam nkrofo yi nkrofo afrikwa ho eso ye hu say contractor ba site
87.9 Kumasi
and no confirm me say Bibia is set. Bibia is set, as they say. Contractor no say site. Bibia is ready for him because on your never be clear site. It was say assembling in your binding her on be clear. Na name you because if you are watching us live, this is it. And running yasem ketwa ma tiem. Hey, kremu. Muzem. There's a any yenuanom ayi for abusia any ultimate for omo other roman and second video
Akoma FM
just
87.9 Kumasi
ebuai yewu yenkodi dien hey ade ne yenkodie abusiafo not just say me busa me say eh and then not just zuba na anya ni ye ana kebe na anya ni ye no that's a question But the answer is say Corona yetimuno.
87.9 Kumasi.
We are dang. Ubeshia bi say ya. Ono mo a omo be ma wiase nyina hu say ya no aduane nie e na aban ebi be boagu. Oh, and enra say bi ni mu kan bi. Ma me ba ko say I said ye two asomasi no. Ya sa na ye betu. Mutu. Modi ahunahuna e krom ha chedodo e de an. And politicians no sa mo ye mo sa power nti development me see krai mu abato ayeto no tie sa wo to aba tie ne yie wo to aba aba na wo to no de oba ye no kampuntu asem kyerɛw ana wugina so na ade to aba enti se mpuntu oba esi ese twen ho na mpuntu omra ei timi ya pa ma kroma ye nya ma pom to ase egu empanimfo so kroma power to ase na wo to abare na mpuntu no na ope eba what is it ade ebio hey krema sem
87.9 Kumasi.
tie bi ai
So you know me here. So you know me here. Come on, send me through. Oh, I'm not afraid. No. Yeah, blow my war. Yeah, blow my war. Yeah, blow my war. I'm sorry for the fight. That's what the woman should have said. But yeah, so you know me here. So you know me here. Come on, send me through. Oh, I'm not afraid. No. Yeah, oh, you know me here. Come on, send me through. I'm in some movie.
Cho krona yetimu no ya de sa ne yete ha ya de sa ne yete krom ha. And you see ade we ho nkomo ba enye ne me se ye wo krom ye anase ye wo man mu na se bia ye be mpuntu me ma ye consistent na se wo mo a wo be affected ye no mo ani nkomo ya ma wo mo proud notice ya ma wo time to prepare na se ye sorry kosi o mo so me I've always been against that. Se nipa otena baby yes e dey obey comfortable ho enti se ekoba se wo tu na free ho a obe resist eno de beba but not when ni tuamu pa say development ba me kai pa say that is early this year yes last year, I think last year. It was last year. And no ba ho. Edi can be billboards near dear walk on be clear ho. A friend said garage say ho mom to talk car CB. So move free honey a day. Ni nyina akoso. This all be what be na say ya throw container ho ya throw say two free ho. Ade we meni mukaya meni Opoman enya asem a na say John account ntiri e na de ben e na hwan na me microphone na etu omo e na enti ase ne ade e na mpuntuo ne ba
Akoma FM
you see
87.9 Kumasi.
society na ewo mu no say one sacrifice wo dia and of course yen nyina enti ase hey eye den a obi you see ye project ema obi kas oh we hire masase de na nso me fama anaze ye communities mu aye asem crofo twom nsase de ma chance ase da de ma say ye nyem puntu wo so odema ye duebu dodo ye duebu mom ye nka ye duebu
87.9
ena ye me nko na metie ena kurani menya den madidi ame so ate na se nka enka o yire ne me a ka wo what me nsunu mu na den na hwan nti yenyai yemane nka na yenkoso a ba ko de na yeto aba na yen na yeto aba na de ma asomasi sa de no me politicians mo ma no hunahuna mo bio if sa de na mo be ye no e ya de a
87.9 Kumasi.
e de mpuntuo bre yen sa hunahuna no munyai politicians mamu masa ne ma ne hunahuna mo na say de mi koyi obi afro de obi akɔhye hɔ de no de yen support na mom sa de de mpuntuo ba ye se ye mu free ha na yen fam mpuntuo mra money tia ye di ho come on radio TV so ya ka ho asɛm ana ye said ye to abati asomasi no sa na ye beto atia hwan ya bre
Akoma FM 87.9.
sa nkomo no ya bre o ya bre de tu na nado yan se ya ntoaba no ne tu na nado se de tu no se banche no sa na ye betu mahama so se banche na abo politician hu o say eh abato ntie ne ma me nkomachi na ye tim de o se ye na ye nso ehu bie no ye nye I mean yanwene hu bio
Akoma
Edoso.
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
yeti ha sa kejeti yi ya isi hui Mampani John Dramani Mahama the first time hey creating some atinsem ya ma menom umienka we nkyerɛ mo sɛ to da bia de ekoso no e wo sɛ eba saa because of development sɛ yɛte hɔ ani delay ne yɛtete ho saa na yɛntui yɛnkɔ mutua yɛnkɔ mutua yɛnkɔ na afei sɛ broni no obɛyɛ adwuma no and you see one thing so say ya na omo foreign contracts and contractors na ya number is when they begin to see some of these things so omo nya brand asie yi a na omo hu ni say oh no I mean but broni the tia say e kroma sa na tia akwasi sa na ati kroma sa na tia baby a wote no okɔ no onim sɛ ha ɛyɛ buffer baby a yɛgya but ɛbrɛ so sɛ wɔn sɔre hɔ a ɛde asɛm ba baby a wote onim sɛ ha deɛ meti ha oh kakra bia mfie bɛ miɛnsa ya ma me kwan ɔzɔ metua me twa ticket me twa ticket enti no yi ke me ba sika nti sa na tie de na ha no ye de ama me you see yentimi ntena mani musa yentimi ntena musa o me eba na nya
87.9
ɛha ye ka but ye ya ma na ye aye abroso ama aduebo and you saw her pictures ni videos here na nura akwa bi obi send billboards for billboards e kofem because so wo meyi a assembly na say oba beyi in fact we grad the assembly no ade we okay well say ni abeda ne a friend anything condemn because the point is that say ye mouth bre say ye ade no wan ye na say assembly ni boka kra na say kanokra na sama utua awo say ma utua nti billboards ni ade esisi ho a assembly no omo akoko tutu free ho no e ka mo boy so omo sama mutua anya nsuso so bia na ye de betena kroma saa o ye nsuso so saa And at the old cannot deal with him on Ancania, on Ancaunia baby, on Ancauira, and Ama, maybe a Tequahon tuna. Yes, careful. Say, Obi a small can. And careful. Cremuha, your trabe be I see uncle, and your fire as you say, and your fire as you way. And can't die in a and can't die in Chinabi, a can't die, Wabati. Sa Nafi. Mpuntu na ye hwehwe no da bia ye kokankan ne abeka kumase ne the development ne compare say development e won kan e kontam esen hade ne ete ho saa ne ete ho ne da bia ye compare enso e ba yankwa ne eto aba yen kroma yankwa ne eto aba Ghana ha yankwa sentiment yankwa ne eto aba
87.9 Kumasi
ne da abato ehunu na ye mesika jetia si wi kajetia. Yeah, and then microphone no mu ajimu a friends Coco Sika. KJTA is we are and then who Coco Sika 3,000 in Asifu. KJTA. Soldier for na intervene and a Berman sana contracted me any access to the area. You for soldier for. Sisa containers. Me kind of baby containers. Sisa containers. After your two near your man, your maso near two somewhere abonting, your maso somewhere abonting. Adding, Mr. Mikai Pow, and a papa me be pierced. Yeah, the containers are did your home. Hey, and I'm penning, and I'm penning. Well, I'm so to go to cranny. I didn't know. Cause you who say excavators say machines are big going to. Hey, you be too galam say, you be too good with her. My pomo trusty. Ebinimu brunuya nyina, binimu brunuya. Ene se akokodroso.
87.9
Kajetia ehye ase. My only concern is that yeah, most some policy makers name mo amaka no so. Most me only concern no ene say a project we ni asande nkrofo aba yam ma ye honya ha eno na ya na man nkrofo bi so ebi o ha no mo so wo mo etiam no. Not in this case they said they no see onya no asem na maker but the other projects ye piamo free ho e ma no yam dwom pram because ye mo hu bi pen
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
ya make so atiase into politicians so be project no na wo keka ho say oh ye wie e project ye wie sade nipa ne ko baka yam pre ye ho yenya ne ntem say ne central market phase 2 akaya anwe ne sisi hoyi na se no de uwie na wo say ko tudwadi ni bi o ba bi foforo na so osore se won tie ase ho no ye betie ne yie because wo be pen. You get it? Say be a project no yeah ni assign the nipa no a ye yi na free ona sa akọ
Akoma FM
eno de adwadi ni be ka cho say me pa cho na no de si ye nti ye so so ye bedidi ena ukọ race cross a ma ne memegu omo tiem da be na ye wie phase 2 no ma ba no ma tima be ye adwuma no mo sa akọ ma no nkrofo awu nkrofo tifie sort ya say e hode ne ahwani but something like this bie kwamu sorry ho ne anya adwuma ne asom nwu ye krom ha hey there be share kokromotie no yedea ye beto aba na tia mo politicians say hey ene eno nem so na misiro no
The two Obama, we are there to solve challenges. One of the challenges I know facing
okay enti ye to abama wo a challenges and aba be solve ye what you say but mama pe mame na wo say one day on na ne kokromotie 1000 no wo je share ne mame woni
Andai, kurana mutiti yasa. Andai. Sisi ama kwa ina jira jomo kwa kurana mkwa tutu. Nama kasha me mano. Shina me swasa, shina me mata. Mashini swasa sisi mutie. Andai.
Yeah. Adra adwa fam pie to bre me. Any. But you see, so there.
Akoma
I was
FM
going for reaction.
87.9 Kumasi.
But the above one so say, also so a penina would be anymore in this case. Zuba and the regional minister. In this case, adia no ebano. Say, muwo. Nyina so ewo. Jidie pa se mo pa mo di mpuntuo mo di development ebre wa santimante mo ha. O se mo gina mo na so. O se mo gina mo na so.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Ebeba obi mo say ebeba. Krom ha yenim sa na tie ebeba. But hey, because your mom 5 years. 5 years. Oh. Ombesaka. Yanko. And I when we diane. And yemrab yeba ha be me sika bi de didi. And yankobo ashawo. Ana se yankoye de. Ebeba.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
But I believe in one thing. Krumha. Zuba mwa number for yes. Because Kroi the minimum kakra makaino. Se and ye den so and into kwaso. See a di huna. See a better about Tiadia. Kroma NDC for ya Munsro Sanema. I no Krenie. Aya Munsro Sadiano. God's Kajetia redevelopment of Kajetia Central Market. Not that your son or ho. That your son now hopa. In fact, I can't panic for you. But that resistance never ba. You better bet yamo. I better tiamo. Hey, Bema, a stronghold. You into your bossy. A stronghold in you. You better bet your idea into your bossy. First, redevelopment of KJTR Central Market. Neither is soon a woho. Nana card your bay. The obedi kind, akasa mi piama free ho. Na man Crawford could drama matwaso. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. He did it. Oh, we are not project number yet. An avenue. And Crawford ade enam so amode ye campaign. So be kaya. Na no aba ye 2024. So Kai said there was even a plan say enka kajeti akra no kom betum. Said e be jadi force omon to aba no. Nti kom betum. Kom betum. Adentia because e ho ne ho so aba be asem. And ye meter. And ye friend saying premium whatever na be asem. Tinem Crawford so omon koto aba. Enti munya see I mean sa Akoma no na munya enye na ne yeti se obi beto aba ti obi okroma enye na ne yeti enra Zuba sama no ka chese enra na me wo problem with nti mo hwe me ne nkomodia na mo problem with soldier for dey omo ye adwuma ka Zuba u di soldier ban na egbu ayi Kumasi hwe ne ye but baby adru nem say saa no ye
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
enti yɛbɛsrɛ maame nom yɛka yɛwia ne apamakyɛw sɛ mu de saa de no wote baabi ne wɔn sɛ mpuntu ba ne yɛka kyerɛ sɛ tu pia pini kɔwachi ana mpɛsɛ wiase obiara hu sɛ kyɛsɛ panifo no ɔmotiri mu ɔden ama saa sɛ samfoni na mu twa yo musu mu tiam obi kabi ma mu o ene ye mu o ene ye nsunu mu ye fridge ena hwan mamu e de ohwe na asa de kai ye eza de o ma kyerɛ ho ena wa kyerɛ ho yi ya kyerɛ ho dada clear yankopɔn hu yɛmɔbɔ
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
ya na mi wi ameba ba be fa kwan no so akwene ewi ebe kɔ hɔ ebi ka kɔfa hɔ na ahwɛ de ɛkɔ so hɔ na sɛ mo clear hɔ nso na afei 6 months 8 months na ɛkwan na ɛda hɔ yɛ hu hwee a eba bebusa ho asɛm o Araya saa na ɛyɛ adwuma no sɛ mo clear wie because speed na pressure na ɛba no
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
na sɛ mo wie na adwuma na start a ɛhɔ deɛ me nua Bonti ahoma no so ɔno na yɛ in charge of operations okay friend Ala Hassan Muntari Mohammed Bonti ɛna dodo na friend no me nua mechiao bibi abɔkɔ deɛ
amia baruma mejo so bani bi enu nankopɔ di nkwato the party radio na ebe asida ni nkabia ma utumfo ya kopon
Akoma FM
na
87.9
atenya we so yes sir
ma mintie o na wo kan bibi wi an mabusa me
the fact atenya we so acha honorable Richard Ofori Agreement Bodi Kumasi Mayor the workaholic mayor na macha regional chairman of Augustus Sandus Menakosi chairman maintain na macha maintain phone na bibia na macha you 2482 boni dia na boy mwasi as the president of Ghana na macha kuma phone na nipi the phone na maintain phone na anopay
okay na minia ada na nura mama mai tiamusa obi a wo ba bi o mu didie na mo kopia mu free way ada Bonti
any say sana muhu no anazo sana ebi mu ka no mu entino sa afa
ai sana mo ka
Oya ni na ekoho after last year and you come on notice say enkoka November ye beba be clear on
87.9
a final ye be dual carriage from on about to Santa so about they call Patasilim home and the my home will be our notice ama little be a why film ama almost be a move enko because if you wanna moving on we are when for all and you know on the side honestly on for the wa why you be a could be ano on for no move na on look to the beer ode onwere ko ko bu na so odi ja kakaka nti enye se bi atra na otu o so bi ansoro fi ho
87.9 Kumasi.
I see enti mo be pese ye clear omo a omo wo saa baby a mo nra mo koye a mo koye sa adwuma yi mo ma omo notice say omo a movie and omo a movie
notice them omo kwade ache abro so that was November and ema enimu fo no mo ti ni no omo ban pa no no be twemu ye ko ho ene omo ko kasa e bi yi no ma se ababua also be ti di ni akwa akọbọ ho ahe Sunday ho etiti ansa na de bia ye ko enoda no was notice na ma omo no ache ebi mo yi omo no ma ena mi ebi mo Sunday omo yo ma de so wa woni tua so here is the case nipa na sebi omo yo sa akasa na say omo akoma say because of say omo ankwa and na school omo ndu nipa for crampo by then enra omo no di nkomo e pa cho say your mom up to enne na between only
enti ma sa momo enne no ochina
no ka say enra na me anka so obi
yes
once apeni wo honum na omo sre na de no o fati kasa omo ka good leadership ka say so no so na say dia yen twen omo na yen guy the bi aye di na kwa ko bi no omo anka say yi omo no ma yen mo mo ndo anu ni ndo enu sa no mo ko yi kwa kwa ya na ye sa din e de ma omo e yi twa so enu ko yi bi a enu ba fa e wo ti bi ni ani ade enu ko kwa so ho
87.9 Kumasi.
oh okay I see enti na just say munwie
yeah the no be no ka say ye the case so ni aye na enam say omo e chache say yemma omo up to the money na de ti omo yi ni no e ma ne ti mo ate e ma na ja yi ta ho no e de ma omo nti ye say na me aduma e ma ne ti amo omo be yi omo na no ma juma de no akotro so
Akoma FM 87.9.
and apart from specifically in bacho he fan na munya sa resistance no
ADC as ADC ahunto na about the approach and pattern about on the left so we are attacking and so on hopeful continue meaning so for me as a omona for that and the big kakre di bemu but then enam so chicho we get kan kaza no omona me kapa no omano etu emu so ase and I my guy the way so don't say the before
87.9.
my home and the energy
na from Santas roundabout Patase ne says I stretch in the Hong Kong
stretch when baby and now any pay you
make up from Santas
yeah so we do need to Santas car park now on the right and Patas car park right from the roundabout car park now right so we do need to say when car park ni ya hun na yi gini na stretch da hun na yi ko Mary Junction so but you really Mary Junction so
oh okay nti mo hono so project no project no be extend adru ho
yes
project no be extend adru ho oh okay and in this case no say mama omo another time say omo enfam prepare mo free ho no what happens mama omo enenu ochina he said enenu ochina no omo en free what happens
and then trying to Yangupo Adam na say the uncle so ni bi na say omu ya dem pinyi da ka bi ani de be juma if you say emeni ko contractor wo bu so ayi ni to bi ni ade na omo da so tiyo no ma omu so re no omu so pension na de ayi ni juma ejuma so de na de ya so tiyo ni pension so ya
The business is man at the moment, why? It's really hard the account. As I went to me, yeah, before her and from now, and I say, I'm going to say, the man got that here, then, but then you need to say, I'm going to be a so much on the money there.
Akoma FM 87.9
If you
Kumasi.
say, you know, you need my reason, I was thinking, maybe now, using a money in the theory, oh, no, that's even good. No, moving in Ghana for anything, and so no, you know what about me, kind of way. And you see, yeah, it be a man for an answer, or we are so the book of major Hawko.
I don't know how. I don't know how. Omo kasa nyina no know how say ye dey aso bebo fam na project no ye gya ho dey akọ. Eno ne how I na mamamfo omo so resist. Ebi mo dey no no mo betu ya me akotena fi project no so kra nka mo wie kra na so aba mfaso a. Enti it's one of the things things
Akoma
what the adwuma na dey aso nsa say ye. Timeline ne project no whatever that happens no dey na eno no new 70 how they mean found copy, but say my mom, I mean 2 days, say and then watch na. That means about 2 days I'm their mom. You share any move, say be a fine. Some one proud be idea.
If you want to be a swan, if you also I think from the able to see finish fantastic now, I will be kasa ɛna obi a wɔkeka bi a na wɔn bɛyɛ de bi mpo a yɛwɔ na wɔde fi wɔde ɛkɔ by then ɛnam ho yɛ good leadership no ɔmo a wɔbɛyɛ a wɔtumi kaa sɛ mmɛni tó ne tiri mu ɔde na sopɛm etie na ɛho sɛ no sɛsaa na ɔmo ɛka deɛ yɛ na ɛtumi fo ɔmo nyae na yɛn sɛ deɛ ɔmo kan sɛ ɔmo abɛyi ɔmo nyɛ no na ɔmo yi a yɛda abɛto yɛ edwuma bi so. And the year, some of them, that baby, with the whole and almost so many and
okay. Right. Minia, yeah, that's a palm.
So that's the
Bounty no, and know, Eddie Common. Hi, Akoma 87.9 FM. Live on Facebook, Akoma 87.9. So I'm off as me chair no pay. I see if Rahim, if call a year armed forces are more senior high schooler on a year security or now no pebiano bedru honora entrance no na we biem we are dobeti akoma we are dan we do have beti akoma they said they can US for security for no eyo mo de no sa no so tie na ye say or retirement so Diana Wama, what check for me? But go fear you as so tea. Hey, if you corner home gym, if you good morning, me chow pa. It's all retirement, and no dear and so. Ibrahim,
Sir John,
Bibi Aboko there.
Young coupon down, ma. Bibi I fine. On say to me, I sorry. Yeah, Tim Como ahoɔden wɔ hɔ no bibia fine ɛde nyame ase ɛda ɔmo a ɔmo tie yɛ nyinaa ne kuranhyɛ nsɛm a ɔmo ne normal ɔmo de but bibia fine
Prof York 87.9 Prof good morning
Prof they say
and our Prof Frame na me tie ayi kutu Prof Frame.
Only make us me who me score so Ayoma Oti landfill.
Yeah.
In fact, for the past few days in na also pressure about nsuo ne tutɔ ne you know enra ye ne me ya kasa fa ho say ne de esi ahɔ ayɛ ma enti ekwan na ɔmo pɛ kwan a ɔmo betimi at use for some time na yetimi so aye bibi a betimi ama waste management no aye kama nti Ayoma woni wotifo yina ye chiamo
pa nti eno ye hɔ de nso no na Mr. Paul Konfanoche good morning Michelle pa anɔpɛ panifo mutie nyinaa papa Reverend no papa chia wa anɔpɛ pa mini Kofi Ruben Kofi good morning na mmom no ai so pon ɔse nkomo bi a media ɔne me yɛ adwen pa yɛ ɔse ɛkwan ne bi nso hɔ makle trededie ɛkwan a na twetwa mu trededie ni ade etwa so a Kofi Job be clear kwan yi so clear
any problem no
and ɛkwan no since before last election
AJCO
and the AJ ntinki enim se ntimi me ya then ga ne mangrofo didi kakra that's my concern
no
but say bad
yeah clear no na ya make sure say sky de be ye adwuma no wo ho ebi o metimi aka say omo be fund the project no per se omo be hwe say o impediment bia obstacle bia ntia no adi mudi kan clear na motimi amomo hu so oho no scan bakra na enya ade a ye de beto o side be ye adwuma ba ya o say hu say sa no ma na Akoma because in as much as say ye Akoma ya take stance nrechi obi koye stories abai ba ye ka say si anu ya take stance say ade bia mpanimfo ebe ya edi mpuntuo beba no ye hu say we dey edi mpuntuo beba no we have to give them the maximum support hu say media for eto de bia na me ka na ka ho ya yetia na ye dede na ye Kumasi aye choked congestion there dey be dede as John se mpanimfo etu ana mo say okay ye pese e ko di congestio enti o say ye yi traders bi a omo ye omo activity e won authorized place ya so na na si etu omo no omo be kwa akwa the same thing obi a story say free was it a putuoja no omo ye protest bi a em say unit committee ni assemblyman edi enim omo ka say etu omo me wa assemblyman on a reporter na a interview no no ka trend say assembly no no DC oni DC akasa assembly ni say omo nya aware of project na e ba so ana me ka trend say there be on free DC na ye free DC see assembly na e BOT e na omo ye e na ho no nso kra na omo ye adwuma na no authority into some of these things but the can say ye say see anu ye take stand say ade edi mpuntu obeba na eno na ye be fo aso no e we say munsu mutu omo na adwuma no ayentempa ye say oh ya be clear ho na for years and a month na ade ni da ona ye mfa nye hwe no nipa no be san back ye no na scano ana nhihye ye no aye ready na ye de aye mpuntu dwuma esi ade saa na e wo say yeko na ye yina no ye sori I say ye pese ye compare Kumasi ne nkran ye pese ye hu se o mpuntu dwuma e ba wa ba ba nso asa na be ba be kan obi kakra but ye hwe the larger good society no nipa dodo a ade no be benefit omo no enti sometimes you sacrifice nipa kakra bi e de ma the larger community no enti ye hwe sa no ma no kemi ahya ase no ye de ye fo aso say ye clear sa issue of na ye infa na ekodidi opese ye koye am robbers opese ye koye tutu these days Sir John honestly me tia na medwa because opese o trem so ho no ye tutu na we say o koye ansa na waso ba
4
some of these things me honestly me yo interview the minute I be can say no ma we no I'll discard it because so normal so and yan take certain stance and now can na nipa no say emotionally or blackmail you and o ma me a na nka over there they no me see Tech Junction food bridge I no come me drew all Saturday morning bi mama bi abet na we display ni we so ha water
wa she
and I say mama enti ade a wo ye because o ton odi
obi so be ba
the next minute obi so be ba na fe no so no ye see a food bridge ya anya ni say ye mbedi dwa ho enti na esi antempa no na mpanimfo nso o makotu anamo na woyi no ba because ugya no day 2 day 3 day 4 no do 1 week afei de
I think
na ni tu na abedin because ebedru 1 month no na nipa be 6 7 8 9 10 no na afei omutu abedin
ayi de omoda so teso me fa ho ache
minim se mpanimfo tu anamo ntimi clear omo ina abati me fa ho ache
me fa ho ache
food bridge no ayi
no
me fa ho ache
edi ho nkomo bre bi o
Akoma FM.
na ugina so ana ugina so
o the pressure abeto ade no so
ho se monitor kwa ko monitor
ene say me fa watch panti minim the current state to ade as to whether nipa no da so ton normal ho ana say si ane de ye jama omo fa so no nko nti ye bestre ye maame no ye nua ma ye sister no baby a wote no wa wonim say John unauthorized wa wonim dada the fact say watena baby 5 years 10 years 15 20 interest ho no ye tena odi dwama ne ye fine ye gya wa ma watena ba wa in books no wonim say ho no unauthorized place enti na say temporary structures nko ana wo betimi kura de ato send the be ya at any point in time ampanimfo epese o mo clear edi dwuma no o betimi nya easy access but ye bana ena ye mpene ena ye wopese ekoye den na ye dia mpunti obi entimi ma o se John
mbesom kobo tutu ese o de kochiche esa say new anyway that's it Ibrahim yeda sena the woman say anopai there were a lot of updates so at the back nana ya road nana mechia enra say minister eko komona idi okona ofa nkoma yedi wa hinsan
okay ofa ho
ko share
nice
enra nso obi aso ye hyepa kwasem nie
ense sa na o say
minister ma menchia o enra me de meti ye no chese ebinuma adwuma omo eda so no enra regional minister chinkrofo anim pa chinkrofo anim baya na yenye no ntem so chinkrofo anim enra nkoma yedi wo fie ha no minister monitai nkoma yedi wa ha ahinsan de atonsu kuwait de ne ade nyina no minister monitai nti mo amotiti those areas ni nyina no yenya assurance bi say empenifo betu ho anamon ya che say niam abekọ nani mpa nti eno ya update ya dey ma so na yentwe nkrofo nso aso
se John yentwe nkrofo aso eno onim say eno na ye flash story me kai say me ni meya eye interview na asema oka say fine fu na omo tunton water bet na osen kasafa engineers because you see your baby or wetland o nanso obi asidan obekọ no permit when a man is a permit engineers no they sleep on their jobs some of them and not more confirm
is it just that
na say
enye de ombedi ntia
I say the obedient na ma you sleep on your job so akodi action bottom because enna me ye ka say yeah, it is very painful say John obi esi ni dan wie na e wo se uko bubu no because baby a esi no ye jama no nso a block waterway ama e cause distraction and obakofo nso ye o say sacrifice for nipa bebre e very painful but e dey na odru sa stage na wetime si dan na wi ama wa betini o hye from baby and o hye no engineers no enyam odwuma ne say wo ba wo tete office o apart from emfa say heads no mo na mo aka no modwuma ne purely field work ye fawa o ba no pa o de ani say baby a o mo ina mo kura map na ha no water bed aha ye say ni say until you monitor those areas no say development be cost in tempa no you stop it baby enso a enye water ya obi nso sit down na oni permit ni na no ube draw nipa na attention na ube push na ama wabe building permit. Those are the things I also hear. But yet tena se ma obi sit down story building ewie ema otimi kotinem. Then yes, sorry, and Yakobu engineer now share no nothing happens to those engineers. Enti sa no mano Sir John e was say sha say enye say ye twu anim keke ade a also ye no wanya. It must come with sanctions. Say the bear obi ochina obi tuwa ono nso nkoye the same thing because nim say menua we eye wa ha no ye twe na so ana affecting adwuma. Into those things, and no minister Marco they've seen almost where the nsuo but omunyante yes say obi sit down or baby so ambekwa say ampa so a they will take action.
That action also will take action. Yes. Ibrahim update free Cape Coast. Yenu aba no a enra yedi ne ho nkomo. Wa hwere nkwa ya. Na Ghana Police Service say Omunsa aka branti bi. A friend Michael Mensah. Na Michael Mensah anya mfie no aduasa 9. Aduasa nkron.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ni nyina ye about in essential ne niwo ene ho asem. Nti ana ya na branti lo makato na nimu de. Ozo ye minua. Se me kamini ha what ase. Minua teacher. Na uhwe ayina report here me kra o heya. I must say omo IGP ni cyber vetting and enforcement team. In fact, the woman say Sadia we are bay, your mom penny for Basopa. You know, be a Sammy and any dim Kobayana, Huhiano, because cyber security is an man. Also, you're careful. A debia we be they say, would never be a video, not the two internet. So, hey, baby, I wish a beer penny for oh, my betcho. And tea, Omocheno and Ra. Na according to the report, almost say you more my no say on 11th June 2026. 11th June 2026. And around 1848 hours. 1848 hours.
648.
There's a 648 no. Yes. And now suspect now I say or a teacher ni a professional teacher. I was also a driver.
Uber.
Opeke Innocential. Ewo Ayensu Plaza within the UCC Hostel Enclave. And on the call Hatchland Beach. Nti police is obeboa. So no the call no command hwan. Ono na nam. Nti eno ye update aba from the Ghana Police Service. Nti Ibrahim the womu enso eno no.
No de police for no de omo omayo moduma. Sana investigation dey sha say every baby. But that is not to say ya chino no ntino. Me only say ya chine killer because as a stance say when it comes to campus life especially UCC na me tie some of the students man be no say common say omo drivers most of them taxi driver friends and Uber say omo person omo ko baby a quickly omo friend nipa no na wa be from a drop omo wi a omo sa friend nipa no na even KNUS money lego money na no me wo Uber friends a omo client ankasa mad to be specific at any time our person or call baby because when I say or trust and didn't come on here we didn't say unim baby a oko na ekoye maybe they be our sister driver maybe na atema community or specific drivers at any point in time no otimi fro so or ko baby say anajo ebi o midnight kra no ebi o 10 p.m. 12 p.m. 1 a.m. otimi fro say me like bi aso ha
mema no so obi saa
mema no obi ba un say ma no
obi a pick o de mom
eno nso ho say ko fa no bra ene de o enti when the first step am hu say police for no first step am to one am say ye betime hu say indeed obi na ku na yetimi ehu nipa no say mpo nso na etwe no na okowu ya no nso ni na part of it but that is not to say there be omo ka say
abante na
ekunu and the suspect
on the pikin no that time e dey call
baby a Hatchland Beach
no
omonso the team ne the IGP nya am call no
oh yeah
they don't have to come back empty also omutimi at least a first step kra na omuteki na ya investigation it me to asoma yehu baby asem no be
ko so de nkomo tim de nkomo papa o exam nkomo ya de abai
oh there na say me
ba kwa ma me message
me nim line me na because say me friends baby omo say hey me say me friends no be ka university man life actually it's where omo chuba no don't go there
ha ono what come otimi di nti obo be fa no na
dia ya omo mu du okan ni na nti say oye comfortable with you otimi di wono na time bia no ofra ma obe fa ne de ne ko baby a so ko
Ibrahim da say nti no eno ye di wo mu
nkomo bi na di nkomo bi
azule mi zaminga
ze
also like wom like also e common nti eno ye e audience no but then World Cup keteke no ebetu ena ebetu na ye call Crofrom Janet and Sons pub ehona ne ye call na me France and Senegal no so match no
tough match
a tough match me
Senegal be France
so match we enti asia wo ho about 7 any sports team
apart from Tunisia omogu anima support
so for African
African na
obi abon ho
enra wo hwe Egypt ne Belgium game na we say Egypt crash more goals omo the goals ni di agro
sana Morocco so nya Brazil
omo best and
Morocco
omo best no
Cabo Verde for no so abom my ade
omo enra Mrs Spain na omo say sini omo ni say Ivory Coast nso ahye
omo so ahye
Egypt
be about home dey say ya and na e bo wie Senegal
so
Ghana
ne West a draw wa more draw obehye no China Ghana nso dia Africa
bajo and
nko an omo dey say omo nka Africa o say see ayi omo efri South Africa omo dey see ayi omo efri Africa mu nti omo ni African support bi nti omo dey they are on their own
enti enanyumre 7 Pepe Suarez ni team no ba be pm Janet and Sons Pablo Crofrom nti enyina no 7 p.m. na dwumade no kick off no na egusu na say bibia papa na ekononim ena nyame adom a ochina Ghana de no ewo Black Castle Grill ewo yes more na hoso be baso nti team no ya ready na me da kro Pepe commentary ni ama me nya bi o na bia Ibrahim Zia analysis Ibrahim ya analysis I minia Seth ono so ye online
right hailing
the senior what Ibrahim is saying is very true a lot of the students have our numbers
any day
and yeah wokote minia I've forgotten the name facheme Obiba Figo Kote area how the any also body
in territory
now Ibrahim asamba ko abba ene fuel eba form
ɛho hia paa
and a full above platform. Now, me tia. That was on Sunday, and a statement from Minianum Pragia for New Talk.
you know more case
Almost all but to Pragia boom. Fair, to fair.
fuel in so bafo okay
And a fuel and super form. And I see a bit many about 9% reduction. Ade. Miniam Mubarak how the regional chairman. NITOG, a National Union of Tricycle Operators of Ghana. Minia, Akwaba.
Sir George Majeso, good morning.
We have a call there.
Maybe I will call.
Yanamo Yadu.
Sir.
And then put the statement for Froba.
Statement for Fro.
Sir. Okay. And now, Bibia say a Juma Cosso dear.
A Juma Kosovo call.
Yenny, sir, way home come. Dear my idea, intimate can once him. Bibia or Hibia, Bibi Bessa, Ebia on this platform, and now become.
Okay.
You this statement dated 12 June 2026. Or say notice of tricycle transport fare adjustment. Namoka no namose take effect from Nyame Adomoa 22nd June, which is Monday. Monday the enemy. Most we indicate here, and I'm also come back to more to saying 20% across board. Adding the same Nancy.
Okay. Where the Mbefa akonya we so na madam wase ene akonya amode ama say yeah explain your ho wa han na atiefo ene omamofro pragia ente baby a ye free ba no ye bedam ase ye sa be chia pragia fo a omo kwan so anopai a motie entumni de se ka se de se ye tuma na enye no kore name sa ohwe ye operational cost a akosoro yiye pa aya omoka se sisi ade nema nyina abafo ba ye de no de ekosoro na ekọ ene se ye sales daily sales ayeye akosoro yiye pa aside from onono so no sa ohwe pragia honema spare parts ayeto a akosoro yie pa aside from onono so no oil a aye change akosoro nti we nema miansa we a ya keka bo ono na ye arrive to a conclusion say yemfa bi enka ho a adwuma na ayeka say ye no ye coffee a ye nya bi coffee nti na e wo say yesre amanfo a omofro pragia ene atimanfo nyina se enye bo apayo na ye dibi etum nemom ye ho kyereye nti djuma no ye na omo ana eye ti ye besra omo se omo hwe sa adwuma na ye aya ye na omo di no na omo ye de omo consider because pragia per se no de o hwe ye dwumadi a emre bia no ye pese ye fe ewo from echen other transport operators
sir
yes because ye dwuma no afe na eba nti ye ntimi yire so se ewo se ye compete with the existing transport operators no but situation aye we enen no de mbeka se yantuma na
Modjuma no begu.
Ye djuma no begu.
Sa
wo hwe ne ma ye bobo so nyina, won say ya mbo fuel so because fuel no ekofom na abasoro. Nti ono ya hu ni say affect ye more. But say fuel no ekofom yie pa dia. We sa decision we ya mo hu say ye ene no ye betwe ansai.
No, nti de e ka say nke daily sales moye no mo se omatum
yeah
mo owners atotum
yeah
e ko say
kane no
Uh-huh.
wotɔ pragea mu no a ma obi a ɔyɛ aboro so ayɛ 100 Ghana cedis
Okay.
ɛnɛ 150 Ghana cedis 200 Ghana cedis
Akoma FM.
aside from ɔno no so no spare parts ho nneɛma a yɛreka no sɛ wohwɛ yɛ windscreen a ɛyɛ ketekete a ɛwɔ pragea no obi bɛka sɛ wei deɛ ne bɔ nyɛ de bia kane no na ɔmotɔ no 400 Ghana cedis ɛne a me ne wo kasa 550 Ghana cedis ne tie na ɛyɛ use no kane no na 300 Ghana cedis ɛnɛ 450 Ghana cedis nti sɛ wohwɛ lubricant a ɛyɛ use a ɛyɛ oil na first no shell oil a na yɛtɔn 120 Ghana cedis a ɛyɛ mmienu a yɛsesa that is 2 liters ɛnɛ 160 Ghana cedis nti sɛ wohwɛ adwuma no a yɛyɛ no a drivers no nneɛma no a mebobɔ so no nyinaa no bed ne bebree kɔ riders no so
na if say mumfa fuel nka ho sisi ya then it means that be anka betuma adjust ne baby abe between 5 to 10%. Na 20% the other
20%.
Any more ya adwin, no cry any more ya adwin say the more come. Because yes, I mean, there cost ne costra. But since I name nyamo na moto.
87.9.
Yes,
nyamo na moto.
Yeah.
Individual
business people.
Owners no neto. Yes sir.
Yeah.
Make a part no.
Spare parts. That be. On na make say.
Mo anu de mo na moto.
Yes.
Nti moto a mo ntim free.
Yeah, ntim free.
Adwuma wura esika
no. On say pragea no. Ebi mu wo hono ma ɛsɛe a na cost no enkɔsoro a on kan kyerɛ owner obɛkɔ akɔyɛ no pragea oil so ɛyɛ pragea owner no obligation sɛ obɛsesa ɔno na ɛka owner no ho asɛm ɛna sales no deɛ wa wonim sɛ sales no deɛ ɛyɛ obligation sɛ da bia na wɔ sɛ ɔde ba ɛna owner no deɛ ɔno no ɔmfa ho kwan a wobɛfa so ayɛ dɛ ade aba sɛ wohwɛ 200 Ghana cedis na ɔno koraa ka ho na wohu sɛ time bia no pragea for wa ahopepere ɛwɔ kwan no so because ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔ ntɛm aba
200 ne deɛ first time I'm meeting you I have on me 200 no
bebree
because I have heard 100 120 150 150 grams the first time I'm meeting. Okay, I say believe me, bro.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Enti range 100 120 150.
Sisi a 100.
Da ben na sisi anu e da ben. Da ben na sha sesa. Ya mo be so ni nyina de agu yesu.
Se meka sisi a na meka say a range from 3 months ago ebe payment. Obi to machine or professor obey 150 200 so untimi a obi beba abeje yes nti ade a happen wo ye kwan so enne
Akoma FM
nti mo research mo ni talk for my year
Akoma FM 87.9
you are confirming to us say sales na cost no cross board and that I was seeing yes, so across board, see a bed that cost now more transfer the amount you. So if send cross board, now more transfer the amount there. And the money fair to us.
Okay. Aya in your democracy, almost a majority carries the vote. It is over who say Adibia a biano majority aka say a na a one echo. And the anya say ayo bia na ogisa name on say obi or family member out of pragea na mano John de obetima aka say o mete so ama wa normal says na wo ye no normal ama me but obi wo hono ma ono no business no ankasa na owuram nti ono no on fa ho say kwan a obefa so anya na sika ama no bia no fa sa kwan na anya na sika ama no ono ano no nti a majority
in this point say yes here peninsula how are you able to regulate the price. That already mo regulate the price, and I'm regulate it.
Akoma FM
Okay,
87.9 Kumasi.
Because price regulation are there very important.
Yeah.
No talk minim say bia system ya ye wo mu. Mutimi a regulate price fair. Say bia from her to her you say from her to her you say. Na Ababe can say no, let's establish that ye nyina so no. Yeah, 20% each, not 20% across board.
No talk. Also, your books, ma, sisi a yɛwɔ 106 stations a wɔyɛ affiliate to New Talk. Nti saa 106 stations no, ɛna yɛn nyinaa yɛayɛ dɛ. Yɛatena ase akonklude sɛ fair na yɛgye no, ɛwɔ sɛ yɛde bi ɛka ho because of nneɛma a membobɔ so nti. Nti sɛ wohwɛ a 106 stations no, ɛnyɛ deɛ a obi bɛtum abro deɛ yɛyɛ dɛ. Ye nyinaa yɛgye tum no because percentage no na ye nyinaa na yɛ dɛ yɛbobɔ ho. Even some people propose 30%, 50%, but yeah within yɛ mu no yɛto aba no 20% na we ni yɛ. Nti obi ntimi en yɛ dɛ emfa bi ambro 20% no.
Oh, I see.
But deɛ yɛ so yɛ asasrɛ your station for na zonal executive na say communicate we no omo di kan and throw officially to the assembly sa omo ye adwuma na omo notify omo say assembly no e wo reservation na they will call them na omo atena say ayede asisi ho directly.
So does it mean that 20% no it can happen say assembly be reject it. Sa na bezo kire
assembly betimi aka say oh a burden emma metimamfo name on me stop it because pragia ohwe da bia ye ba hanama de na ye kan ye say omgye entum omra nti say omye ngye entum a we ye ni sa negotiation table no say ye ne Minister of Transport be negotiate a fair increment on.
Inti bebe amode fai na je say ne say ministry ni sorry say
omonti mi sorry
adenti
no.
Adenti na okansa
omo ye ma ye sa akonya no nti say adenti na omo be
ba some operate
you operate
nti wo ka say ministry ni ntimi sorry are you not operating under the ministry?
They can't no
maybe are you not operating under the Ministry of Transport?
For now we are not operating under them.
Nti mo ye kaze mo so mo ye
yeah
you have your own system.
Yes,
I'm operating.
thank you.
Nti at this point ministry no ntimi enka say any mo de asabo ba kroma o
da bia ye ba ha no ma ye su say omonje entum no na e de ndi e pese e regulate e ho because pragia juma no venture bia regulation bia mbo no ana emra no adan na ke me reject e so mo say illegal
ai
sisi at say ke me say no ke me betima afre say adan na moto fm anka e be kan ya juna kire omo yes
pragia for
oh
mo be kama dua kire KMA
pragia for are ready for KMA.
There's a KMA any more target apart from KMA mo no be any problem
no be
because
any problem
omo restrict him.
Yes ye juma no stakeholder
enya say omo reject him entirely we can say na anya fair to KMA KMA reject him entirely
reject him
entirely
okay
kwan be so
other can the person can nam ntre reason na ohun sa de no
are you not able to operate within Asafo?
That is because they are making money from us.
So okay, so inti Asafo ye KMA so ya aware.
Yeah.
And so until I make us say I'm reject him entirely.
Say a ticket.
Honestly, who operate there, definitely you do that.
Do you sell ticket to the private cars that goes around there? Basa oh, mama ya kwenya na yantena asene hu kwan ya ebe fa so a regulate ejuma na o say illegal. Are you being fair to us?
Mo kwame na mfa so mutua mo tax.
Daily toll. Da bia KMA okọ anopa we omogina junction. Ya twa ticket 2 cities da bia.
Moye income mo can group or mo yeah. Income tax must I introduce it, right?
Income tax yeah.
Mucha.
Yeah.
And I'm sign.
Yes, I to assembles no tickets no.
Tino mo say mo nye fair to mo.
Na wow sure there.
Is it not because of it mo regulation tina man abasa?
Assemblies no. Even without the this thing, without the central government no. In their bylaws they can regulate us. When it becomes a problem to the municipality, you regulate it.
So far, assemblies ni na no de came pen am no more problem.
Came pe.
Na said the omo yen so so regulate mo. So say omo timi regulate
dia. Came regulate obia o.
Neba some say omo bylaws mo timi regulate dia. Then omo regulate mo, so you have to accept it. That
we are calling for
Engraha enkwaha. Because you are becoming a problem. One can say, I'm buy also regulating.
Yeah.
The other na came regulating. I'm no more problem.
So, person catch say, came on a mastermind of everything, so they know the best.
No, but let's also admit
it's a stakeholder.
Kumasi, yebedi Ashanti region, Kumasi Nkoma. A central business district, no. The air cost of say. A feedback KJT, feedback Duma, yes, Kumasi, you think. You get it?
Yeah.
Inti Kumasi no so ayekano. Asukwaka Kumasi.
Yeah.
But maybe Asukwan also is managing more.
Yeah.
But pressure no kogu KJT ape. Then it becomes a problem. Inti you have to understand your more yana.
And yes, I understand no more. But on to me and yeah, at the end says I may benefit on there and yeah problem yeah. But when it comes to say yentena se enye de enhwe kwan ya be fa so a ebe ye yi a o hwe your only your side baby a o be benefit no ono kwan na o hwe na hefa na ye chichire mra on first stakeholders na mu nyina aye de obo mo mane ye se we na ye pese ye na say na mo hunu na so
I see
sa nkrofo no so e wo reservation na on betima aka kire.
I see,
but in our case no there KMA is the mighty of KMA there.
Okay, now back to the fair.
Okay.
Yeah. Back to the fair. Fair no dear no na mpese ehwe wasem.
Okay.
Nti see no mo take stance say mo 20%.
Yeah.
And that is that.
Yeah.
Mo nya ho hwe because you think that fuel no there. Fuel no fluctuating 20%, you know, it's okay. Same with me, they cater for the difference now between spare parts and there's a spare parts.
Akoma
spare parts daily sales
and spare parts daily sales near. I see. Now most as mo boy juma is a I mean 200 cities in the crown will be to me cover 1-2 na hono eko na dia kana be mfa so
ono no omo amofa dropping no but yeah ye load no de ye ntimi nka se ye koba akopia wa hwe ye station a was so amara na about ye load come Mamponten 10 cedis nti saufa nipa mi asa kwa 30 Ghana cedis
87.9 Kumasi
nti na osaba nti we a ye ka no ye no ye nte se amanfo bi a omo chichire omo dishishi na omo hu ne se obi antimi nka ho hwe ene se omo amofro praga esore se 20% no esoma omo a ye betimi asa akọ ye meeting no na ya safa resolution
any so sen Ibrahim na
yeah you from you see a dose
so sen because they see as me bie maybe ahoma na tum maybe atum na pragia for no ne omo pretty ene omo furu nyina no ya ka ho asem
yo
Piero Pani bacha bia bokode
nyame adom
ebe dia mo dia de be gua tiso be kun o yani mu a just yani da mo so a mo mo yɛne mo di dwuma yi na afei mo de 20% ɛna ɛba deɛ dabraka but odini second time I buy last time I buy no come why maybe on the first time oh okay but odini is saying okay funny also kind of saying and then I'm justification mo de masemo to mo fa mu by 20% na there still I know many material for Ghana for a jano penina message a man you know be a so no nya
yo penny was it so o my asa akwanya ya no more kasa ya chire no mamu
munchiche mo mai
said the regional chairman akam so uhwe operational course no
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
because see bibia no said you see the car no see kosoro lubricants ties bibia it is also one to more a bedroom baby no riders no na no mo ho kire wo because obekọ fie no ọkọ onya bibia anko eno nso di bia akoma na yere ne ma adwuma nso eno ana yere bibia enti ekobasa na ha adwen enti enya si yefiti prekopa na etumo na complaints no ba ni bikura ahwe ade bia edika tutu but yeso mo nto mo boase
enti bia ankasa ashintu umo ankasa do mo pa
station fo no bi o mo asase etutu ba se eja wo mo sa enye tie ka che mo so mo nto mo boase enti ye meeting regional council meeting on the 6th of June enti consensus about and say or see it tomorrow because ya tomorrow mo so riders no ye adwuma yi ho sabi you obi sori anopa na obehwimu a say okope bibia befie ne yere ne ma ni da so na afi obebe fie ni sapan a ene nkoyi nti enyina bobo ho a ti proposals no ba bibiri nti ye to ho aba almost say yemfa 20% no ento so said ye amanfo nso riders no omo ho be hare wo eno ni adia ma
20%
no aba yeah
ti fridge ada ekọ de
ndi
hey
they catch wo mo say wo mo ni what say stakeholders no eni nkita ho enye kikikiki abutirim said ye bibia abekoso boko nanti ase aye adwuma leja yenyina aye ho atoye
na samu ye sanso a wo mo nso a eze wo mo a ebia wo mo ye owners na wo mo nso ntutu wo mo sales mo no eze mo mo mate ase so officially no wo mo nso ntutu mo diem
yes already
sana komo ne
already no
sana komo ne ko
there be o
because say me owner na say me fan say me je sales ya mama 120 cedis every day. Ya mo kan mo de sales abeka ho. Tell say me no I was say me so me to medium because that is a normal practice. Kroma trot for na mutie me no. You agree with me that anytime be am now so fair increment be ano. Honest so sorry say matum de na me so me to medium. That is a practice.
We know the a trabutu.
No, I make it more kind just ebi mo sales 200. Ebi mo year 150. Ebi mo year 120. This ene ona bi ti onu otie yen. Na so say ono so waje 120 na o ka che ne driver na say ne rider say bema 20% neighbor no so me pay 200 cedis every day. Say ona na right ana.
Oh, the ATN say.
Oh, you're right. But that is between Ono and the rider. Oh, and Pempi, no, they may say rider ana owner bia ordering machine ebema rider with a high price no onya problems time bia.
Okay.
87.9
Nti it is better say o minimize na nipa no da bia otimi ba fa kakra ba na otimi ye de o save na o motor machine no eye de enya ahoto. High sales ninti na ohun say spare riders omo de ma spare obetwi ni kakra obetwi ni ebedru anwumbre na ode ama obi fufuro na obi fufuro so atwi ni saa ebepem anwumbre time a ono so bepon nti wo hwe indiscipline na water for kwan so a high sales but no as a kuo ye ni omotumi a ye betuma aka say monte so but say aban agi etum a here the standardized price sales ebeba on board na ye nyina no aye de ye ho ahenha ye na adwuma na sebi obi betuma atwu pragia for maybe weeks one fa osika ma na wadwane no ni nyina no ye pekwan bi ade asi ho kwai.
Okay, so obi wesi your dear here. Me raise this your dear the same. I said, John, as their leaders are speaking, their riders are playing music, so they should advise them. Pragia fund they had Akoma I say, Sir John, my rider gives me 150 Ghana cedis a day, so I am going to take 200 cedis. So do and all can you see can no o pese o pragia no so enya hoden a you don't put so much pressure on the rider. And na ayidi akoye voxy accident bebre nya no ne preho no eno ntia because sales obey within the week you know. And on kwama the present time you to can anymore. I want an agent wo. Meje dem meet me sales. Manya bia to akire dia kofi. Nti eno so de no. Okay, so that is eno so nti they say the ehwe animu. Bibia ne ho asesa. Ye hwe animu. Na wo can say statement foforo bi wo ho. Ana ye
wie. So all na make say ebe de say wa bie phone lines na yatie feedback a ebeba say majority no eka say ebe how mo a ye be sa akọ na ye sa akọ akọbobo ho
and here anopay munyire mo ho na ho frɛ because how they resolve issues hey ya why nti me enje me bia homa no Facebook so no mbetimi de mo comment at the atoho. Are you for or against it? Is it possible say mube kasa mo jai kra na mo beti so?
Betimati so but yentimi njai.
Jai kra some increment mu jai kra de enye yi.
Yeah, say fuel no etimi ba for ma. On said time na fuel no 10 Ghana cedis no. Na prage for you enjoy power. Because see, that time
and the petrol ba 13
and ba 13 etimi ba 10 cedi a we na betima aka
okay enti Ibrahim me be focus
7.9
pacho akohene munya de bi ma me munya ma me ne ye adwuma no munya ma me why na we are the verdict be mom ati pragia for no so mo ride no so mutimi frɛ bi mo so mutimi frɛ 03224 98035 0243 114497 0243 114497 03224 98035 name me ka also say Jojo drinks they see I can say about back to the market
87.9
you are reformulating a kama and a FDA from so agiatum say yeah this a would me a Jojo drinks uhubi wo edwemu a maye mo nhye say FDA fo aka ho asem na ano omo kae no perifo akotena se ama the ose ye bia no yaye ne kama now it is in the market fully active for consumption nti uhye bia I just say Jojo no with full confidence na bibia aye fine ewo ho. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
87.
Udini baby akasa free.
Akwasi ewa taxi driver ni.
I was with a taxi driver. Oh, han saying.
Say ozi vote ana.
You, I do
vote. Me ba vote bi.
Vote.
Na say me vote no me ne praga for na ya de pa. So share analysis penyin bi agu ho a. O tin say omu di ze o say omu 20% na say me sere o kasa no. O say o kasa na o pesu bi ka bi ma wa. E ya no aka ni kuru wum. O say e praga for ni bi ye e 200 cedi. Anye bia e nyata. There be a 200 cedi. Minimum 120. If you can say 120 and keeping count.
Me that's it. Hello, good morning.
Hey, we share your back up.
I go see go.
Hello.
Mami nti obinia.
Hello, me patrol. Praga for no. You see here drivers no. GPRT for ni TT debe for the clear you. Praga for one the two of you.
Wa mun pani for new talk for ne wa hai.
You don't say a basa. Na omunye fair to the drivers. Yes, taxi drivers. So womu kwan. Ema womu pay. E tu fe mu a. Because se jo bi be am here do mo se see currently be am here do club. Ya pitu e pitu so yen tu mu one city kura.
Okay, nti won support it.
Se jo me say to womu 10% kura. The drivers ni nyina for fe.
Me that's it. Okay, good morning. 032224 98035 0243 114497. In fact, Mustafa Seidu Facebook because he said John brand new 150 Ghana tinye 200. Okay, also say they also support you say brand new 150. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Atomide.
Yami Adominia.
I abraja for one kasano. Asoma mutu omo kanu. Kwenye se bia ni ye adumeka za asebo kanu kwa ni se ngo man ba radio. Ni uni ni dia meka sa on se raba ni bi fere se. So munye 2000 and the double for na betum. Ke apraga adwuma be no ye. If you were photo bu ogu ka mu a. E de meka ni mu a. Buta se photo down do so de adwuma amina we. Ansa na.
Okay.
Ena mumu de no so amo kanu. Ade di na mo se mutu enemu mumu na mtitire ya. Okay, baby, I don't know for Omuka Tikano, you're super to know. Omuni, ya. And so Mona Kabuat, your man, so I'm going to what you number no my Mugu, and said, you could be out. The kind of that more can
you, yeah, that's good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. When you're ready, before good morning.
Hello, good morning, Sir John.
Yes, sir. Marcus, Mammy Tio, Minia.
The Omokan, one. Chairman, I do a million. Sir, I buy and you need to know. Better, how the patrol say, then you need to know. This is the operating illegal.
Yeah, I know that is it. Illegal. Operation illegal.
I would get clean the second illegal. It is a chairman and a castle on some two. That's all we had in.
Okay, Medas. Good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Yes, sir.
But if more being a mechanic, you so.
Obey Minia, Mamintio.
Sir, number some mechanic say, we only came with what I said. Came as a wound to an outcome. Make our want to say so. Because now our guys only came in again. Now, what had I asked the Castle Bucano? We will be seeing the guy, the end of the Consuano. And I, there's also soon say, almost in one of the band, any to move us, so open to be a, and now also about concern to move into also my honest. It's Pragia honest association for Billes Nanga, honest Nangasan, and also the Blue, or Jumana say, oh, play Abadia, also the common owner. Okay. The prospect, we do play person, the owner woman also the command.
Good morning.
Morning, Sir.
Yes, sir.
87.
Yeah, make a true minister. More Muku, Mosi, and Yintum, Mubasa, Yaji, Kuntum. Yet the more free Sabri, Ebabe, Yanyi Muntu Mumpo, Namobe, Yajimutum, the Azani moving to Chanipati.
Do you support it?
David, I show me died.
Medasi, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
I'm out to say.
Nyamiandum, Inia. Udin baby, I was here, my mentio.
No prayer. Oh, 120 the crowd would bring out one. I mean, 120 the crowd. We got the prayer open to so only 200. If you send me in crop for no about 5. 200 in the car, one a day. What did you call me for? Because of Mexico. We saw the step of Yanni for you. One
auto amount or rider. One
of Yanni for all your Yanni to some you try to say Yanni, Yanni, the meaning to be owner, one owner, and after the I'm
okay.
Yanni for you. Maybe no because I want to and no more had any other found. We said to want to count on the million and more. Put me at 100, 600. You know, 150. 20. You do to cut out of me.
Thank you. Good morning. What if you didn't confirm? Good morning. Very bad. But who didn't maybe a cassette? You're frozen.
Fabiano, Stepas,
Moana Moto.
Everything, all you Kramian so no too fair, maybe I see other 2 15. So no too fair,
or yes, same amount 120 a day.
120 a day.
Okay. Into how much miles over them?
Yeah, I was here to just
you, Matimidasi. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me ho pa
akwado okikata
nyabotre mesrew yeah allow that nyina yedi nkomo me me obi akwa emeke nyabotre mpacho nyabotre kan wasem yi yo matime da se onye ready so bekasa. Good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if I'm a quiet and
Ekoba ma minti ominia.
So go let's go to Nyabotre. Na spare part ne why do mutingia e ke wa funi kingi. Nje ye dey na mo sa tipe tu na mo sa ba betu. Tebe so Nyabotre mo mi o ma so mu.
Okay.
Because spare part nya ka una for na to.
Me da sipa yem for fufro. Good morning. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, morning.
Yes, sir.
I
good day, Mamintio.
And to be here, no, and maybe a more catching papers, cow and phone at the and you know, whether for me who can say, I'm not to love him. I see as a family will be dull.
And to so support
Never for very charitable to this government. I think about now, almost to love him over 1,000%. Never for charitable, me, I had the America. Okay,
Pragian community.
Who the kind of Pragia for you? Almost very, very charitable to a bandway of a medium supporting someone to 2,000%.
You made us. Good morning.
Hello, Sir John.
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm going to do.
Onia, Mammy,
Bragiano, full of some old. I'll be there on the crowd, a board to Bragiano bottom of the car. Taxi area 2 million, hour 1.5. Difference no matter direct to custom.
Right, me that say last 2 callers. Now we now for your best studio. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pacho don't select the Pepsi Capel so.
Me am into you.
So don't Pacho you one of can be you know mo yaji.
One of mo yaji and I know mo yaji mantini.
You know mo yaji kwa, you know mo yaji.
Okay.
And you can make us say, I won't be doing step as dear, you know, when you step out, you know, and a young regiment, I'm going to step, I'm going to start, or I'm going to talk, and no matter how the boy, a building on this side, or your mirror glasses near the idea, only a regiment. Say, yeah, and go to build on field, dear, and you can on the yard. That's step as dear, you know, when you that's all.
Okay, me that say, last caller. Good morning.
Good morning, Sir John.
Yes, sir.
But Jamal,
yes, my mean too.
And you call me Papa Professor Joshua Levy. And then you say, Pragia for some more, Ubia near Brete, and Nico so mutu. But Pragia will come, then a Nubia and I don't say, as one form, will make you, Mamma. Monsieur, airport police station,
okwa no pa ba de san ko exchange so mu gina ko mu kimi to supply just for about 2030 no mo dey go mu theater no mo dey 3 million 2.5 no obiani o timi bia na no ka bibia supply je ni police for pen no mo dey apply to go ma we say ko airport police e ji obi 3 million e be mo atena ama na bobe 2 ni ta ji 3 million commander okroma ya na ya enti na de o mo so mu tu no obi e complain me ka se bi obi ntuma na o mo bi ntu ba the way o mo say treat plage for as o mo de o mo ya Ghana for no
me da se pa thank you enti bibia ye clear say Ghana for nye happy bibia ye clear say we are not happy
okay
enti we for no year 4 and against 11 now for no cry no we see cancer no just he's a muntia anyway enti minia I mean with the Akos switch say I will say more reconsider the Mwakano.
Okay.
Well, Marfo akasa. I mean, maybe a consensus on more reason here. Until what do you say? Maybe we will consensus on more reason maybe. Oh, Maka say, "Sa de woki kenyi na akra no." Honest asem.
Okay.
Until no, muntimi mfa no meye.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Ade biara yeye wa hanam no. Meye ho recorded. Ye kwa ye de betuto ye platforms no nyina. De pragia for eba kasa no. Ye be there. Ye betie. Aside from that no so ye be stakeholder engagement with owners and asema omoka ene no. Eye mwanwa say obi say omo na eto spare parts. Me ton spare parts o, me to pragia spare parts. Me horom so me mechanics omo ye pragia. Nti this pragia business ankana no.
Do you expect Mibo? Do you expect ona no so obedi a traba habeto ansa no who say ononeto
me say
because me pragia ni bi na me rider Ephraim say we are say I can only tell him say kokone koye na de feska say ne wo sales bet say ne wo fa kone ko ne ko fix
omo bebre no omo tuya sika na ma me wo nti me
wamo
to say pragia obesisi pragia asay na wo ba be ya me honom experience amenya wo honom no edoso
anything
on say sometimes no say obi e kana asem kire wa ono na wo say also ye nhwehwemu so say eye no kre ana enye no kre but say radio so na wa fred na wo say enye no kre so ebia won ye obi so ye
so enti na busa say research be na maye hu say de mu kanyina na ya cross board
on na meka no on na meka ba no me my experience as this thing spare parts dealer at the same time a union leader mesa ye rider bi enti ni na no me wo aside from ono no so no dia omo ka no
wa would na use so wa would nti wa would there
nti dia omo ka no
o experience no nti say obi a ono
dia omo ka no mo pese omo ti asese ye no ye ka say dia omo ka no enye no kore but ye be ye de ye be nhwehwemu say etisa na ye twa asan nti emma omo hu ni say ye de atodwa no na ye final.
Okay, so based on the SCY hai,
yeah,
are you saying say Monday decision no more holding on until somebody we whatever consultation amoka say we because yeah wa ya wa ha no pay enough to tell you that passengers are not happy. In fact, honest any mo nyadwen ba ka say mo kwa mo sa kwa consultation biwa does it mean say 20% na more come on this platform 16 June 2026 you are saying that so 20% more holding on until somebody more consultation more kwakoye no then you come out with a decision.
We still have 1 week ahead of us until we work around the clock and bedru sa dan there mo bete yanka but me pese mesre amount for say the omo kan yina no aya omo fa no say pragia for sebi I moso omo yenji muntum kra and am yes no what does it mean by that nti me hear me business no you come to tell me what to do me ye de ebe boa me
no you
and
cannot
that, yes
me ba
tie
you see
so
obi aka so ye de ebe boa na
yeah
o man ye ntimi
You get it?
No.
No. You see,
why do you form an association at the first time? To protect your interests and your welfare. Now, because it's our interest now, no.
And also the man who we say, okay, and then the man who also say, oh, pretty illegally, okay. Obi anka say, yes, I mean, Ghana ha ye humpani fo bibrea. Omodo manu atum say, even though more pretty illegally there, but aba nti ene mo nete e kwan be fa so be regulating the next thing. Me I say have problem why still anumra no ma wie na da so da ho na emma mo that power no say whatever that was because here chimo bi na because it me chinkrofo na harass drivers riders near
ono there or ebia no nim but me person me clarify no ye na ka say o monchi o obi a on di mura so bia police o ho kwan so o chi no
okay
enye obi a na o mochi no
okay so say ebasa let's also protect your interest to me you to say yes we interest we protect but you kwan ya fa so a o measure the impact because you see like I say people are not happy with that 20% number.
I say me ka say the omoji omo kan wa ha no mina na ya ji atu ye koyo ho dwuma but aya omo hu ye say yes no sebi ye ntimi ye bibi.
Okay,
no that is not how it works. And then cry am one say owners air fresh say na legalization ho asema ye kan no say omo nyina ye din including spare parts dealers and omo amoton praga nan kasa obi aye din nti mo jai kono ema ye say ye riders no ye nko ye akọ na mo benefit mo na mo di musika ewura me ene praga juma di say am betsa ejuma foforo but wa wo di musika uram no o praga na obewi ana sometimes no let's be realistic and then I can fair one sem no o say oh me omo ye sales nti me so me kwa akotum legalization ho asem a ye kan no what can be ana
no but say no so there no so there say if say more pretty illegally let's be invest now so adjust to there no case so adjusting there no the problem you got a problem but
no me can say
adjust to there no case on so
me can say problem o home me problem ye say
nko so moamo
praga ho ko akuna ye kono e was am take part because you have invested in it me there na me invest here me spare parts are me tono ma invest on na here me say e was say me kan ho asem
okay
but wo a wo di usika wura a wo ye di
so 2 minutes
my rider say omonko
2 minutes and ye di wie consensus bi aba no very important you say Elizabeth Fusu or say underage riders mon dealing with that Facebook there minua Jenim Boatinki you say they load pragia with cement and other heavy loads. So say John, how can you overload your pragia and
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
So they should stop the rough riding, the indiscipline on our roads. These are comments about it will still come back to the whole thing of regulation because I could be no tea. Mahubi. What you see a kind of crown baby or nam no nim. It be bien ho obu okra DHS crown nwi. Obu ha I mean so it comes back to regulation.
So John, yamfa akonya we so me bo Honorable Ben Abdallah Abaso. The MC for Asokore Mampo. Ono sorry ya partner ye de ye ka say ye regulate juma no kohwe Asokore Mampo ene.
Nkwara no si from
kwara be na e won bi. Omo chiwa ono na ebi na ye nua ba ko frɛ say e run about omo chi omo no because uyi fa wa be chiw.
Ayi mame eno waka sa mame fa we into the MTTD commander.
Yeah.
Our airport. Superintendent county.
Yeah.
Uti ano pebia.
Okay.
Into the message you mame. I say good morning, Sir John. The man who said the police take 300 Ghana cedis before they are released, kindly let him come and see me. The MTTD commander is under me, so I will find out the truth. That information I get you to Commander County.
Yeah.
Minua say behuno because are they also investigating to behuno na on dealing with that. Inti more na mama kwan say obi a under age only license and it's police are arresting them.
Yeah.
Okay, so there be a sanity.
Not always, no.
Okay.
We can't always be complaining.
Okay.
We have to take action.
Okay.
So
as if you are doing that as well.
Yes.
Okay. And I will say, Atobra, I'll say good morning, Sir John. I say, the way Usi Kasano, they are not happy. It looks like I say we too harsh this morning. I'll say authorities no so no regulating movement. Need the abandon.
Okay.
Okay. And grandpa Odiano have done justice to that. Jackson Kofi was also good morning, Sir John. The basis of the increasing fare no are flawed. In fact, they don't buy spare parts. The owners do. And look at how the man is speaking. And then I pay why too harsh on us and as well as the listeners.
Okay.
Yes, and also why here now by okay. Besak Bovi or say John, leader no, you should be a leader. And yes, Kwana. But he has been consistent with other things as well. Enti yebeji na yewie no okay. Okay, so and yes, maybe 2 minutes been enough. Wrap up with them now. And then okay, chat.
Okay. The Eddie kind almost say me too harsh and opowe. Almost fancy me. Say Sadia, I'll improve on it. The almost fancy me. But the mesre adofone say say na medical kai nyebo apayo say e pese 2 FM na emum ye hu na ekire ye hu na ekire ye pa. But we'll still have other stakeholders engagement. They say media say no a stakeholder. And then ye ba hanma ye be hu say e was say ye den. E was say a Marfo bi enye any the air cano and yardrum. Stakeholders. So we take them seriously. The ye corner ye be kwa kodi hujuma.
Okay.
But yes, almost say omo hu ye to say yes or no ye can o mine ho.
Okay.
Nti aya omo hu ye to say ye second class citizens be ebia ye asem ne de any kwan say ye can.
Let's be and I'll be kind of be sounding like that.
Yes, be sounding
no,
like
but Nipa Obaya no yes, and I didn't allow him. Meaning say be obi put for be there.
Okay.
Because the
Obika say or a taxi driver or car say a quite bear so na enya ye kwa kotu because omo transport other transport no dey omo kotuma aya GPR to near to nti ye no so no ye ku.
Okay.
Until you have to respect that, sir.
All right.
We have the equal right.
Okay, me that say. Honorable Kwame Kwache, Otie also person can be kakra.
Okay.
Me mo akwa but just be aboko.
One year I did one so long. When we go to the home na. And someone na me na kana wajia to we can kasa hasa. Eso wajia to na me kasa no was. Na me be away 2 minutes. Again na be a person who say insurance, omo register insurance and how to program say third class and how to be a complaint. And then the price is say insurance cover net saying. So then person say, "Who is that mama here?" Na be person be any.
Oh no, what can you now? We are then. I don't know. Be inform me what. Say be inform me what next. Submission.
Okay,
my too.
Oh, then maybe another person. So, man, Pena Jack into the Juma. On for white people. Because you see, a local police station there, almost all move as a corner at the idea to find a bar. Almost fast white people. Not insurance package because they can't be our insurance. Tax for insurance. As a commercial car insurance. It is the same no matter you talk to me or more long journey back. I don't know. And you know, I said, you started to occupy, say, be a prayer here to money. But I must say, what about a Monday was near the crown? It's a casting to by highways a prayer and Namasun. That's all I'm on point. Is near there. What a traffic in a Cobenino. Mun na majority kiwa bi amokora na ko fon so sala na musudi e media ni. It is not more we in Ghana say ya share na to train ya. E be do me no ye na ye na be ba. E bi akra me cash we na wo sere. Say, who could pay 50 pesos? What could do so 1 cedi? Am I name? Insurance, I call a Messiah, no. Any waiting there, but waiting board and say, you now
okay.
The next say, Sana ma we nyina na eba no. Say etimi support na say mutuma. You will say, so to me you know so maybe you make 30% and another 40% because me the insurance you nyina no butia.
Okay, nti me da say, honorable, minia quickly on that. Meaning say be insurance and obey no busa say mucha insurance and anti mucha
part of insurance you try.
Okay.
Now first you know I say claims you know
no problem.
Okay. But you see yenya insurance company na you know mo ye adwuma e sunu.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I see. That's fine. Nti no minia ye de be ye besi ha na yada wase.
Okay.
Ni yada wase why?
Yeah.
Nti bibia be fine. Ibrahim what's this?
Ibrahim or Bibi catch.
Just 1 minute.
Yeah. Your best law enforcement agencies say and kolan kete no a wo ka pradia no as individual no which say untimi enkoka pejire no.
Yeah.
Enti sa kolan kete under age no any ye pese sanity eba road no so.
Okay.
Enti wo mo dra amoai eno de say obi ye mistake ya mo fa no ho nche.
Okay.
Wo mo no wo mo ndiri na sanity emra.
Okay. Yeah, that's a papiero. Ibrahim.
Sir John.
Almost sorry.
Yeah, but to say nkwala na asem na can you see we any kwan say you can say it na se krama mre bia bansana ya those kind of regulations and aban no so enya agi atum say obemo omo aye ejuma no he said you can honorable white paper ni ready because regulation is very important your pay pragia there abe improve your mode of transport in terms of cost, in terms of access enti abe kan ho but yetimi regulate abeboa and baby ana mene Mubarak nya adwene ne say oka kemi because wa di atum say assemblies no bylaws no etimi regulate
okay
and yentimi nka say we no baby even taxis kra na ye fancy traditional you know your certain institutions are na ye etimi ka say ha de ma wungura ho aha ye ma wonko enti e wo say etia say ejuma ne de ye be ma waye but say mpenimfo edi bibi ba say okay aha de ye ntimi mamo ma ha but mo nya ejuma wa ha we should be able to understand san o man na any mpenimfo no entina sinye ejuma me dey so no admit say ni kasa no na ebi nye because me ana no na me baba wa admit ne dey because untimi you can't operate on your own say ade na media na ma ade bia o pese o commercialize no regulations e baton unless who use no ade na car kra o to who use private kra regulations and o commercialize they don't mean caso me de mepe ebe to fair ni ma ko say ana me operate ni say enye sa sanity ma o man
right
me those things them say ye be hwe na
we say Jamal epeso ko hu superintendent chief
but you know sales no sudos
eno de doso na wo so we
Ghana for Pragia
o mebubu na ma
entina enche
en last bubu na ma say ni opa to kantema na obubu na ma no wajato nti chief mbacho abrantie ne so pese wo hu ba bia wo na oba be hu Jamal your friend nti wadaro ma ya na wa ye hu na ya bona mani o so pese obe hu no kam nsema wo nyina akire so the kwam do mo faso no ka kire wo
no so make sure say you are doing the right thing
me twa me ho aba na Evans atena se konkum oba eno wa madwuma ana no ba adwuma
Amejuma.
No, Amejuma. Nti ne waba. And eso so amantem. Waba. Na my who say GS for the statement be aba. A whole video. Na a whole video na mde ma no. Teacher ni no science lab ho de no. Teacher ni any student or science lab. And what's a member? Timmy Kwaba. Now, the atoson son say, is it I can say, the former Chief Justice, Sophia Ekufu, or resigned from the Council of State. And now, Oko electoral commission, so any permit, almost also, but I also resign, and about council or retirement. So, Yabebo Munchemu, Kakra. Near to us for higher, 87.9 FM. Ghana, Akoma, Jumedi, Suna Wutino. I just from Sir John Amejo, so Evan Sinkumoha, Ibrahim Soaha. You try one by see ko Facebook, Akoma 87.9. Oka share now, so comment it, na radio comment. Good morning, me basi see and patch me basi see.
Mami Ajua, besi yenko krum. E wasi yeko toto bibia wudi beko senior high school anse mraso. Ma, how be cranny? Let's you be brain. Na masanso suya ni mo juju. Enough for be home I feel me. Omo nyina di kan register EduPack dada. Me besi metomo. Wasi o ma register EduPack. Na Edu no.
Prospectus Ghana and Edu Inshishei Aba and the Ghana Education Service Ajiatum. Among Kwaleni na Eko SHS Fofro. Nancy India, a who has a Wubiku Gaso. Ubidu school hono, or trunk, or mattress, or pillow, no chobox, or school more dada, air trail.
As a CCI, you're saying.
You hear say. You better dial star 713 star 821 hash. And now see a beco abe from Teen Time www.edupackgh.com. They are true thing. What you mean so aqua kutia ewo ADB branch bia ebeye. A bonus a dafo. Our for who house in na echa. EduPack aba ama SHS. Our bobo I am ready.
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo eba clinic aba Accra. Anu won't here. Passengers a gumi kai mu. E ho na dodo na aircraft. Hey, enisa Accra ne botem ye demo. An ye demo ampa. Be say dey, edutwam Atlantic International University, America memu. About Dr. Abidjanfi Babaso, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, ayaresano, I am more. Oh, Mr. Minim wife ye kopa wo. 1 year 1 city. Nin send be 2 months and 8 years kano. Connection na ensheda nkoye na esakakra say wa pege mu ama hodiam bam connection ne wo de wai wo de ba de kro wo ba de kro ye ke stroke nso de wo fa no small chese agidi wa wu ani de asie no yare bia etatia e wo Dr. Tamda so andi so diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria yare bia kuma say
owo agogo opposite government school no
and nkra hanso obepiem e wo pokuase mayira kwan no so for doctor 0244 774 282
and 0500-727215.
Midimba for Herbal Clinic. Wudima for Newa. Hanyako. Tituni Emano. I'm stopping Kasa. No, I was chairman, Bedasi. Yendi share ye, said the best year in Munyamunti. Yet the whole contract, Asher, God's Way Funeral Home for us.
God's Way Funeral Home in Sudia. What way you who's your home pa?
Anne, what on my munia broche a fundaka. Added that a fruit said your man for a lim de panabran what pepe. Ambulance and a car papa, what if a fun, poor bearers. And Brantia was sure through the march here. And shrink as ye dear, a front taddy. Look at the foreign picture roller boards. Video coverage. God's Way Funeral Home. Was sound system. Kete Adwa live band. Our catering services. And when we are new years. And was software our Yahoo our MCs for occasion be event be God's Way Funeral Home there. She said everything under one roof. I was a penny. Where the entwas of you. God's Way Funeral Home noir. I need the right company no. Na ye be who away. Our commercials are full labor. Can you cook about the dano and share nimuha? Mudra Mumusa Ankrato. And I'm on fre 0322 006 221. And 0243 73 74 57. And 0266 1946 78.
Right, it was for your mama Kwaba. Edamasi. Yana a call of San Como Cosu Wetri. And Tibu Haya near the room kakra, Sidia kakra, Namudia. So now Ezi yekika ben Father's Day no. Na Father's Day no nyame adom a evansinkum. Okay, wo minyama akwa ban tu de say agidi da ko nyame ma akwa ba ankasa. Enti Ibrahim Father's Day no nyame adom a. Mahuna mani o. Hey, just say.
Even one.
Mahuna mani woni pa wo. Hey. Just me man akwa ban tu. Me bo ni ma. Wa je da ko nyani wo fi mi kura. Oh, they beat amani unu. Oh, wa mia na mai mia na be di me. Enti ye be no anwa mo. But your Father's Day no kwesi ade di enimi ya o. Kwesi ade ya enti no. We ye ja na maboabo aho. We ye banso a ba boabo aho so zo aja be surprise no. Sanity enti yankopon ya adoma Akoma FM ye the Father's Day special de brew. Nti Asokwa Municipal School nanimu hɔ ene Makion Temple na ye opposite nti hye no soma me ya chekra no 12 noon nice ye nyina no ye hia na ye hye dwumadi na se of a PVC men kan chemo say high life account den high life account na den also bie bi ba ma ubie bi na ubie ne sen ba che onyame adom a san chekire we nyina be koso se de be ya yenso ye ho beto yen na bema o hwe wa gasa wushu ntimtobi etama enti shanonso mami why anwa mo special no e wo so e beba so zuba so ba be dibi na kam peso be no se omo be bi wo asori nti on de wie ya na se by the time we wie no na ye de na ready nti ba be dibi ye wo ho ye twen no ye be ye screening ahodo nso de ama agyanom obeba ho nyina drama ye be ya men groups ni bi so be drama kama de ama yen and afi competitions ahodo bebre na be koso emu chenchire ya anwa mo special anwa mo competition no goodies lovely sheto omukra mu sheto papa papa bi last show insecticide powder and afi adum ventures so no open curtains in ho ne ma bia sisi dem kama adum oni ejaba jewelry no na ebo ho pacho bomodin so be call Evans Inkum
Sir the John
bra na boko de
nyame adom me ho ye me ho se baba ho ye oso ho ye nyina mo ho ye ti me so me ho ye pa Sir John
ayifo onwum de agenya
yemfa seda emu oden mu pi emfa ma yiwura odoma nkoma nyankopon oluman bebi a wo bia no ye da wase Papa Reverend Omono Mama Nana Muama Hene of a PV Professor York Legacy Hospital Prof Edawase Efi wache we are heavy afi we are heavy so they say jam come asem afi we are heavy afi wache so echia pa na obetime nka pa kese pa ewo mu afi kumi baba so da wase baba I be na make na se mo se o me na wase ma no I be so da wase pa kumi Ivandi hostel so coastal one wife mommy your child digress yes also so your child pa Sir John
obokumi said
bibi damakuma so pa baba hewunim enu ana wo kase mama baba frame me no krasem me ba me kire mu kire of air na onim I be we are say ade a isi maya na manfo adwen koso bibiri me ade a makomentimi eye obi a owusika owu tumi owu influence no pese o de suppressing crofo o be se obi a sabi o hu ne se owu bi chen no o de brenase makomentimi kura se John unim luka homa etire dunsia yimu dunkono eba tamwa
what's he saying
luka homa Luke 16:19 eba na ekasafa Lazarus edusikadi Sir John unim say enye true story nya story is see but na Yesu edi truth na suafo nefo Luke 16, 19, echo, 30 something.
Okay.
Sir John, the story of Lazarus, the parable of Lazarus, you know, a casemba cope. Ubia ne ho kire no, uhu ne se ne ho kire no. Ebia odaminem. Uhiamwa. Chen wa o ye so gina soro. You know why? You are not the Lazarus or no at that form is a table as aduane adidie. Wonim ni faith, onim ni level. Into our bread and once no eden odi. And the sikanini did table ne tene etene ye no. Sikanini se Lazarus fan and sa emonsu ko mede. Enti ohiani sebi ana obi an ho kye no ohiamwa unsikani obi hiamwa dachi emna na meka che wife say that is life. It is to me sika influence hwe bro ho ase adansa meka akwa bi asem ne kire ga ma bi na ne party opposition na and the party na me anu ne party papa we wanya tu it is hu nipa kura no a so they say yes nipa no a wo fro no hu won no da obesane no obi hu won
ahia uno mbebunsa ho so ama
yes
akohye soro ha fi na the all course ro ha wantimi amwa no na nka o expect so no ko ho no onye sa bi mfama
yes
na difficult
yes
bo awunua
yes into bia bo field machine so they say into ono obi ti so no say dan kwa mabi no mama ka wo ye ndisi na say o me di enu anu wecha ma say MP4 can be no more opposition one day one will be opposition obi ti say field machine me nyini say particular opposition ho be kire no because of the way our conduct no so they say ti bro ho say John e ho no na number 2 eye praga for me ni omo ya adwen omuntum aban pa won from no
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Aban pa won from no kasa. What mo je say? Omzo mutum say. Omutum say. Iswa omunye 50. Simple. Aban ti ase a on from no omuno kasa.
Yo.
It's simple. Na GPR24 eto omema yen from. Prutua yen from. Eyi ye friend say eyi ya bema kradi ya or can TV so radio so ya omuni station bi yen from ema ya be ma
two drivers
ikra omuni station any car back okra yen from na pragia for omo numbers thousands of omo dem say yen from obi am from in fact 20 ni so omo nya 50 fra jai fra boat wo ho trotro wo ho taxi wo ho no akoforo ebe house wa to pragia netinem and one very simple. Simple. Me know my adrenaline. I feel deep you.
I feel say or that.
Yes. And what's that?
The woman as I dear no. And ready watching.
Oh, yes.
I'm ready watching.
Heavy far. Nay heavy. My bona basso. Nay heavy far. Watching it. Heavy.
I am praying so good to me. Arise ya be drew.
Oh yes. It's a package you see.
Come up.
Oh yeah, dear pa. Me on my dear kumeno. I have buying a gumuno.
Oh,
me dear no.
That touch.
Natural. I have buying. No, one kasakra no. So home. When you nipa bia, walk also havoc to the environment.
No. So on your mom to tell rabbi.
Yes.
How about the two?
Yes. It's no.
Afi. Yami adma Friday.
Yes.
Friday you bet two adwuma.
Yes.
Yes, yeah, two see man adwuma. You go to the next level.
Yes. Yeah, be right. Afi say John, dear topic bi ona na wo ho.
Topic ni be.
Enu me say mo ka kuwait asem na mo ka mo camera asem. Amo camera enye boni bia. What has he done? Look, you see yeah. Young kind of crunch down for. Yeah, Crawford and Crochi in Sue, omo ye niema bebre, to board a good your friend is saying, got him. And so then you tend to blame who? Please. The enya no yeka. Nipa no so estabe ne ho momwa. Yen kase bia or your political figure nti. Ono de anymore hurry. The bia no should go after him. Onye hwe.
Okay.
Oh, come on, please. You see, I don't want us to go back because I know I'm in here.
That's it.
So they say it's my main fan because I know I'm a TB.
Me
Me follow conversation.
Okay.
But okay, so I don't want us to go back.
Okay.
And it's a whole conversation.
And the name me na memo can be.
Into the other way.
I know I did the intimate canon.
Oh, there be
just that I for issue statement.
Yes.
GS I issue
Friday.
Bolly on.
I bolly. Until you hold me, person make a
I bolly senior high.
Aye.
And I as a science teacher.
Aye. Oh, I don't hear remana.
What fire I
no, you're wrong in our canon. Don't say what fire. I have watched the video. I have analyzed the video. The mean who consensual. Mimi problem. Mimi problem. Who no, let her tell me.
Who school
Mimi problem. Yeah, baby, I
didn't say no more reproductive system.
Mimi problem. Say also a final year student. Mimi problem. Yeah, baby, I didn't course no. I want a problem.
Video no there.
So I want a problem. But you see, I will explain to you.
And I'm sure.
Much low DNT I make say I don't have problem bibri e wo the course na mum baby a ade ne course no e ho na me problem
anyway
so they say but me you very relax no me adoma Friday
but the ka say o here lady no so girl no even though acting e course o here o hwe video ya me hwe there aso mo nyina atom ho ase no mo ye there but for someone to film it from that angle. Ebia na girl no either say girl no be aware so be film ya na be.
Oni me dey enfant ton. I don't want us to go there.
But video no ha. Sophia Akufo what's up can be?
So Sophia Akufo dia.
Kakra bi on that.
Sophia Akufo dia no.
So say well new bossman.
Bossman there I will say you see listen.
Also resign.
Yes, I support it 100%. I think say if there was one person on my is in who ye he pa no na bossman. So ne kasa ne posture no na emwa kra. So na emwa kra. Say John.
Yeah.
Uti mi anasa wo hwe your friend say bad as that.
87.9.
Hey this ja what dey meet you.
We are no say busa me say.
Meet you.
So bossman there ni there I was all resigning because you see we are commissioner I was say okasa obi bia no eye ade a promote neutrality. So the moment some of the political parties begin to have issues with your public utterance and all of that, and what?
Akoma FM.
So, because for me, Obiti said James even conducted herself very well than Bossman, Dr. Bossman, who's a very good friend of mine. I'm cover the program.
That's true.
So
it's also about too.
Yes. So for me, it's a yeah. So they say, hey, me makase yeah. Electoral reforms are over the years. Say John, say nye MPP ni NDC, ena omayo mhudua brudi, ena mhudua boa. We shouldn't be having any difficulties. Krasi etu abaye say obi kudwem. Say John, my tefia ka say me sade no well I don't know.
87.9.
Say if there's another way of doing it, say in the electoral process no. I mean, kwanya because I said you knew. This is very simple. Oba, if I say Akoma FM polling station, nipa ye waha nyina yidin wo album. So, ene ye to aba. Ye nipa 20 and 40 ne wa yin yidin wo album. Enye yidin keke. Ye pictures also wo album nim. Voters album. It is a John. All things being equal, the fan say da ye to aba na ye to aba obi enwuye eti nipa photo mu nyina wo say John say say John kona say wo to aba polling your friends away party rep no ho no or album ni bi electoral officer na wo no so album ni bi Obie ne album. Oh, Sir John Wuni, o picture ni, also na wo hwe. O de o don sa kwasim, e ho no first verification. O don sa kwasi a BV machine so. And also a capture say what to aba no. And I say ebia what go through the process. Sir John, you. Even if they want to go offline, Sir John, you be album. Party agent or Honusu be any na ugum. Wako to aba. Eti sa your system na ye wono. Evolve from a friend say adaka mu usuma na friend say 92 gra na friend say adaka mu usuma say there. It's a 92. So I see that kind of transparent ballot box, no. And even the introduction of biometric, no. Me he said, dear, in the process of gathering data onto the biometric, no. But say a gather data in area near see a kotua bar. Meaning the best ebema will be say me could bani. Because you are two abani nyina wo Akoma FM polling station. Ye nyina ye hu say you two abani we no. Party A nya 50, party B and I say be a party A nya 10, party B nya 30. Sa results na eko coalition center. Eno na eko ahwen sesa. Eti me de honestly ye mane ye hu dodo. Okay. Seriously. It is a John. Why resign here? Ne kwanso ano no. Why resign ne kwanso ano. I feel you.
Asa.
Okay. Send here. Bibi ani hobi.
Bibi ani hobi ani. Me so mi twa mo ho aba. Ya to aso.
Omumpanyimfo kan ya womboatse de oya foto nsakire nyipa gidan sohwe na marama po na edwuma befie mabra na maboto ho na madahate Mwende mana nambi poso baby na matsema na ho dwi ntuntun yekum ebufusu na mazukura atama me ne shop ho atama me betwa ntuntun eduru osokrochi na obajo wo friend fatala sa isokura osibi chara papa tena wo sipo nyubotwa onhwe nyipeduen oye nhom so de na ntuntun na wo suro nema osan ku inseta otu na zawawiye ni nginara oye quick action ishesi danyi fatala ye wono coin spray ni nyinabi epiandodo wa frey 0599 315-600. Senya spray wo dem ho a fi wo beye semade no man from amfa wansana akehim otode bien mon so coil insedo nandem fatala in set out krati FDA apenedo.
Hello, family. Genuine Dental Clinic. Ubia Jinotumono. Anetu Ngratui. Sebano Esiaduma Hudia. Genuine Dental Clinic. And the Dimwa Kutne. Bra. Nanya Mausin de. Antiapo. Nanya Fe. Abribia. Yadi Abe from Fidi. Yadi Shasa was Sebatiapo. And Abeguya Sway. Sawubaya Sway. Yayan Fishamu. Ashadi Hawo. Nafe Yama Wakwanjere. Anasa Nui. Opeso Siwase. Anasa. Opeso Tuse. Opeso Shaw say gold. Anasa Silver. Bra. Nayam Fan Fidi. And who sing. And Kikawa. Biawe womobia afi wana bibinti emwa bi awonse ane waye lucky na so pesa wo see fita ane Genuine Dental Clinic na make am for am afi se kakaye na so see achia huna fa bedan ye Accra Mungwa na afi Atomic Down aflawo ye wo Ecobank abun sign am ye ne Ghana Commercial Bank ene die nhwe Tamale Tishigu ye ben MTN office wo pe ye ne post office no ene die nhwe Techima Mazi ye wo Mazi kwan na wo de ko market hona Kumase wo be hu ye e wa Abepo Junction ye ben Total Filling Station na afi Atonsu High School Junction traffic nasewa Freyen 0549 906588 Genuine Dental Clinic ye bema wo sie dia dance
Chukuchaka like a train, yo. Where Akoma FM World Cup Kentucky from the 11th of June to the 19th of July. 87.9 football festival. Our Sassiso and our Empress one. And the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Now favorite station Akoma 87.9 FM at the World Cup Pro our Bobuan. When you to the day Akoma World Cup Kentucky. Akoma World Cup Kentucky no so. Ubenya analysis papa. News PFA World Cup no. Afe commentary. Yabetson Yomaso, a bra, or predicted near Busa questions. I'm Wayano. Yet the walk up, Nepam Monteso, a bit second one pop, our Sasso, vibration pop, our Dakojong, the village power, Kenya Sabrim, a Donko 1, 2, 3 pop, our Tiasi new site, Jonathan San Pop,
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi more, and then Miawadua Aka, school for no see anyone film. It's your PMOK and UST, Kumasi Technical University, University of Skills Training and Development, and then adaptation institutions Aka, Akoma 87.9 FM. I will walk up fee for all the excitement, the suspense, the drama, and the Akano. CIA on Akoma 87.9 FM. Some person so Jumediana Safre 0246 442 5372. Akoma FM walk up Kentucky. Yeah, too far. Yeah, Bob one.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Right, I'm sorry for that. I'm saying Mama Kwaba. Hi, Akoma 87.9 FM. Inuya Agwazi made that say per se, bro. Telling Kum that security. Okay, I'll say what he has is false security and blind trust in the process. That is very easy to break. So when you have that false security and the blind trust, easy. Process easy.
Akoma FM.
Yes. I'll say our election is based on a system that can be easily compromised. No. I job at Timido about Facebook Akoma 87.9. Nemum. Yeah, can. Near council could we say a draw ye. Na draw ya. We hear Angel Rock Mixture. Bema we hear rock. Why? I think I come from here rock. Oh bre and sa na why ye we hear rock. We see ya o transiche we hear rock. Bacho Angel Rock Mixture obanom bema no. Nye mema nkwa de obanom bema no. We akọ bi anim. Opemfo ene de o ma abofra no for ono de. Oye opemfo o ma abofra no for a o de yasinya abotransa. Twen o ma abofra no for wie na wo twa no abofra no twa no for na you are good to go. We have pharmacy shop and a herbal shop na GB 0244186612 0244186612 0244832286. Chairman Simon Kwansa. Chairman
Akoma FM 87.9.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, sorry. Mama so no pay.
Ejoso.
Na ya da masiso ne mo mpae bo ne monokoreka. Nyame adom. Mama Dr. Papa Kwasi Indium. Nensa akanalisis mpae bo ene akwankyere.
Okay.
Mpae bo so de nya ba akofo ne bo. Dipadodo ni nyina ese nyina ehu adwenpa na wo papa ne tirim ene baby a otutu na namon fae. Nti no ye beda mu nyina ase and every given time there
Akoma FM 87.9
Kumasi said try and try until they stood up for the truth and I mean Ukraine bibi aswade da na kwam we are praying so we man asa ahoden you know near to me I build it back the People's Bank nama Juma is we what do you call it the analysis that is going on people are saying say Juma ho ayedin e wo man mu Marfo we school omunya Juma nye nti ye be try say yen so ye betimi aye afamu de at least we will build back the bank employ people
Akoma FM 87.9
connect to everyone in the country nti ye da mase for that
all right
na oman mu so nsem de ye nyai ka because ekoyi ma ye nyina oman no so nyini pa ba ko for dia na nsem na twitwa kwa wo hwe Kumasi man mu nsu etoto animu nsem a ye kwa for the past 2 weeks I've been in Accra na flooding issues ehu nti so ba Kumasi na se enema ye ko na nkoyi na wo kana impa ne bi ntiase na yes I na ha because so John Makoboka over 6,000.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
I won't cry.
Me come chiro. So what I say? Akokwa. Why? Asemi aye Kenya obi gina baby, obi tumregu baby, yen kacha ni unjai, abayin tigatem ono so nte, we enye ni nyina o nyehwe. Oh, ana obi ani anu aduane bebo no. Nti no me nka. Baby. Se John, emboa. Anope na me monitor show na you put audio be I don't know where it came from. A certain lady I'm say two of my free baby na o kasana say na friends say yo ire ananke yo ba kase
87.9
you see
expansion no more wo ahojo
the link to ahojo runabout from oh you see your crew we say na a woman. See, we need to let laws and systems work. And some people must sacrifice not their lives, but even their names to do the right thing. See, and to me, and yes, I am now now for political reasons. You better what you many other politicians. We should all know. Say you better what you a democracy. And your dynasty. And I can say, oh, but for 40 years. There's no party in Ghana. I'll be to me about or so for even 15 or 20 years.
Exactly.
Oh, so John.
Then man for you almost say.
Oh, my friends say, Yando Wahai, the boss one country 2032, 2036. One is a slogan. Time almost started a party, then it's a movement. One is something now. Come away. Hey, kasa
NDP bet 40 years now. I see.
Nipa. Ohube from nipa no. Irrespective of a certain kind or group of people be ba. Omube hunu say, "Ne wa ye ni nyina no ye." Nemum, let's change. Obi timi kasa asem ne kire. Oh, de wo kan eye ebe boa en. Nemum mi hunu say, "Ye ma obi fufuro so mara." Anye say de wo kan on pe o. Now if you want to go by analysis, I think I better say, but we ansem bia o kikan ni speeches are ye before 2016 elections. And you know what I mean? Ne ba yi. E be wi e ko si say. Enti ene mani bi ho no mo a obi betimi ahwe odin na to abama the late Prof Mills based on what? Esi papa na bre. Ananya na kan kromu a. Wa ko election more than 2-3 times wa brent yen to abanama no. Enya ne policy no ni abrede ni na no chechire mu no. Enti we should understand say o man no na pese ye ni yi. It is our dream power trim na wo decongest aye kwan ama kwan ne ba be boa o man ne da ache a na ya ba ne abeka say is it tikromu hai unte say Rotary Park wo ba ya na mo bokọ jobo nsu binim ya ka say me obi ba Kumasi oba ye no ono despite all the odds on the Rotary Park mine. And he did the initiative and he has been able to do it. And net only honor by a body ding. So can't trust him now. Say a good name is better than riches. It is not about say Nipana bebo ding. Like I say, at the end of the day, people will always say, you know, baby buy. A buy and buy and obey A, B, C, D. Sani mana or ye and a bow mine. A bow mine at that time maybe soon honor. Say, oh, pet, and our boy and on your negu. Abo no your negua. E dudu no anu aduane ana ye hwehwe enya won ko anwa no aduane nti sometimes we need not to follow these things yeah to abana ye beto abatia no ye to abatia wa is not the end of your life no ye to abatia wa is not the end of your life you work for 4 years you try every month when you have contract you other things and you should be able to move on after even losing an election na ye mfa mo a o man nyi because ya many anya din you can't stay in power forever.
All right.
If you do the right thing, even if you go out of power, or Chinabino, you be bolding, Nyaka say, "Wona we are dear we at the ball, my Ghana," and that is better.
May I say, or say to Solomon so or Shay in free UK. I say good morning, and I say Mohammed Musin. I say good morning, Sir John. Pragya Samana will 2 passengers and also offer. On a ride and account, but how many of them and on
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
And when ye na aseman see. And when see Evelyn, Evelyn, I'll say young good morning. show UK. Yadanyamia sepa for another day. Emmanuel Tewa or say good morning, Sir John. I don't support them. Mustafa Seidu, your message is here. Noah or say Usu Oshewo High School Junction. Or say good morning, sir. Nah. Noble Kwabena Esumai also Oshewo Boase. Kwabena, good morning. And Muhammad Council Somodi and also Ebeba Nafi. Meanwhile, Emmanuel Oseusu also share a 4BN
87.9
also share a Kokosu news site about 4BN military barracks also cheer Professor Smart Sapon. Okay, Nedia so I don't know. Meanwhile, Paul Yando Atnasi. Meanwhile,
Sir John.
Bokodia.
Bokodia. Sasamno. Pregnant too.
Okay, ekwan so te saying.
Ba ka se boko a
ekwan so te saying.
Ekwan so de ye. Na sentiment mu ha de ha nya boko.
Ade de na sie minia.
Last week was the last 2 weeks one to say Confanochi emergency center. Emergency esi homa. Nipa was here de ko kodi ayarehwe ne yempe absorb fee bi mfa nko.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Absorb fee de man te omo meti so omo say other nearby facilities no more.
Yes, na nipa no awie JSS. I also call SS. Was once I call JSS. And now we secondary school also call tertiary no. Yes, I call SS cultural view. What should I be? And get to na your man from the nyina awie. I also call tertiary. Was a servant no call SS. I dare no, huh? Ebeka say ye no politics. But you see ento wa da. There be emergency case, and now you be in an emergency situation. No? Say John, you learn to appreciate. It says same way, and say we see this how beka ho asem. Ka beka kope mo say konfanochi no. There was a baho abaho. O te dey can say. Say here empafo from egu ho. Konfanochi ya na da so si ho. Eti nipa na ye say adosu bebrebe na si adom ko he. Afari ayembie ye. Atrede yembie ayi sewie ya yemi intini pano wo mu wu ana se wo mu yeden nobody is concerned.
Oh, update o honey says say ayi
apamu bi kofie
omukwai apamu bi kofie
mami hu
update say ayi se wu asem na mekan yes e kwan contractor guso ye kwan ne na wonte
na wa ayi e fe ne say bosom twe kwan pramso ni ho pramso ya kwan no ye go hospital. What are we saying? Emergency abaya to na enye kwan
na dey na dey
because that time pram so Kotansi hospital ya kwan esu ye nko hospital
but se wu kwan no mo time se na no so ye issue am raise se kwan no enye papa nti dey na
me say ya commission
Paul
e kwan ye issue enye issue ya commission hospital nipa nkom nko enko ye adman service nipa
commission da be
4th of January, Google another year, Johnny. 4th of January 2025. I could find the commission as an oko.
Some we also na contractors on handy over.
May say president commission idea contractors say.
Hey, now contractor no ye juma no hand over my wire the commission.
In the na president commission.
I don't know asem no. I don't know say no din kobo. I don't know asem no Paul. Because say we pa say yeti hai ayi Atafua bridge. Mu commission kroma ye hu yo canopies ni red carpet net se honya se but I say what dey
wo na wan ko bia na say
what pictures are just some the usual commission na mo do ha let me have it
the president buy no me
say president
it's all over
but
na president buy no kwa na ba
oni ho na ko
ahemfo ho nyina ko bi me Paul me ko bi regional minister ko bi na bia wanko because that time no munim say if any say ade na anya yeka what you say oh na say 4th of January 2025 7th of January so a new president into obi ade no hwehye yi na bia wanko but I'm telling you get here na asem kesi asi na ube kai say ya nya afamu dia e wo se nkede ebua situation no e dey kwan ne dey na master atom ayi Kotansi hospital ne Pramso hospital ya kwan no nipa nti wa omodi ayarehwe
enje hifa na wo ko chese we
ayi afari ho na nyame na jeme nyame pa me nam o
na o ben
chirebene unim chirebene
ai
me nam ho ena nsɛmtwafo yi abɛka kyerɛ me sɛ ɔmo ahu sɛ cement bags bɛɛ 1,000 gu baabi a nsuo atɔ abo no a akeki ayɛ sɛ rock hey where there wastage pa na akɔ so nti ɛne me nkɔ na me nkɔ na me kɔ gye sekan wɔ security for na ɔmo wɔ gate hɔ no sɛnea me de dɔ ho sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a adeɛ no betumi ayiye na camera no betumi akapta etimi twa 1 2 me 2 me 9 say me 2 third one hey nyame na se hwɛ fam wɔ sɛjɔ me hwɛ ho a kyerɛ bene pa no ayi sei ti kam de me na ne kwade ne nka na me tie mu Jesus
na sɛ baabi na atoto sekan gu die
da bi sɛ ne ebia wɔ to aba na nka sekan no etimi akla na firi me ho etina a defense mechanism bi a me apply hwɛ sɛjɔ na nya sɛ
atoto sekan sa na yɛ
sɛ ne be ya wɔ to ne ho
a obetimi
apam
so eventually went to menku
me kuna gidie me den maku kyerɛ bene a wa hye pomu a bene sei da bi timi de na me save me kwa
sɛ ne po ka wonya be ma
be ma ne sɛ me nkohia wɔ ne
went to menku no
me se me nkohia wɔ ne na wo school anjo ne wildlife club wanjo
ne bi ne school
o ntuntum ne once na kra no ukunu kra problem because we are with the purpose. Okay. But eno de uhu dia ubedwane but not my intention say
ubekunu
okay.
I see. Into that's all
serious. Me say me jan ho nti dia ka bia ye omo mbekwa. Say soldier force wo omo aduane anu no. O na omo anka. Omo anye bi me nyina ye hu. There's a video a police soldier for achi na nka ne ade omo prepare. Can't uhu bi da. Uhu bi da.
Ose
Nanka is different from
but chirebe me nim say
chirebe na what the beer there asema working
na ne nyina anye wo wana
de he na minute de se ba ko nanka na minute
na oni ne kro o minute nipa no kro mo we no na chirebe ne
na we say
anka eku anoma we anoma ne portrait agogo say nipa ndasani nche anoma nku no
yando
ana
emum
say anoma portrait agogo so say anoma but nipa ndasani ko anoma ku no
anti soldier for na omo nkọ adwuma omo nkọ ye no omo kọche kyerebe mum ana omo ku no omo de aye na we
na de wade we anwa
anya hwe o de enko enim
na ohun abo kunu ma obi ahun
na nze waja court ko
nyame ya dom etwa me case
o case ya
na wo de na aka
chama wuntumi de ya wo court bi
Debbie me call court ni bi ye chi no ana me call any can say amunamuno so no court dey say ono abetima but we say ya kwan ya omo fa so omo chi no no
na
but say bia on daily basis ne ho routine court na end me ko bi
okay I see Matthias pa but so follow case na there
papa
is it what in the lawyer and the appeal could be say but so or trainer
Akoma FM 87.9
say John ya say omaya yetimu ubia wo kwan say or join any political party or pe what I say that is why I yeti hey minimia CPP ana PPP ni eti ha ye kire adwen what I say the fact say will be joining political party no doesn't mean say your enemy adwen kire tina woka say me nkoku na enye be man your physical sometimes no your smartness adwen what I say
me no ya adwen
what I say me can say senke ahoden ni machoism anka ukọ Japan ni China yenya soja ni kra ho but fia adwe dan timu no bomb obeto no o ja say o ye metro kra untimi nye hwe untimi onye abadwuma da onji ministry appointment bi ada o ja say onye board member da chese edie be na fa aban ho say directly untumi akwa akoye ultimi gyina so e de ye bibi etia no ne dia o ya ne se o ye regional chairman of New Patriotic Party in Ashanti ena nye se obeye regional chairman no so ntina na o ye ma ana o he na dwuma dada na eka abrabo so ho se jo ultimi ntina se abra unya adwuma now ubeye adwuma so a ubeji concession enye se untumi no akọ concession enya ne dia so ubeji concession se saa bia yi ya register wo midin mu se eye me dia metimi akoso legally
87.9
ache se eye ne dia wo se wo se ye de ma no ye adwuma ena enkrofo bi akoso a omo ye adwuma illegal onu akra nko start mining ho e wo home but registered in his name ena ya say sankrofo na akoso no is unknown to him what throw letter to the regional security council western region say masasi ye de amami enkrofo akoso a womo eye adwuma mema womo kwan ampa regional security council no so no reply na omo dem for course first one kopam womo the akade minim ho asem
okay
na sasem wey ye de akọ court say adenti na wode na saase e de ama obi say onye illegal mining wo so waka bibia say ono onye sa even anamon a wetu kramponi auditors ba adwuma mu a ye bisa say situation we no what have you done about it I say now they are chere wo mo say yes
yeah
this is what I have done
management response yeah so
what I say but e ba say wunya bibia mfa ho a then ye betima ka say bibi say we there wa ye bibia fa ho enya the then minister for the region I'm friend is saying Ochiri Dako Gabia Debbie
no not Gabia
Takrade MP no I'm friend say Ochiri Dako yeah fan man bisa fine man bisa we could dear dance here crowd court to say ni say
the you share any mu say
judgment
beba
na what
judgment my dey
say judgment my then lawyer no say we die because ohwe proceedings na akoso na if the court will be court the court will be court
feel say a strategy to also delay
strategy to delay the bad there
because
strategy to delay the bad there what you say say John on mine nankasa face illegal miners aye from galamsey problem on my ye wo army ye wo police ye wo fire service immigration bi we struggle to deal with them eti identity individual who case no they want me and control the site
so
why do you blame him
for the judgment say they are nyina ko we court
eti hu baby ade na ekọ but
won baby ekọ
oh na then then lawyer no say there acquire judge in the case na faso no or your lawyer ni anye one client nkwa no attend to otimi attending to other client we see onya no number unto me because you need unto me there be
okay o dey hold me entwen entwen na judgment we say me adma July
it's not fair but me feel say
because I've seen say eno me nimu take on that because I say asem no judgment ni nyamai but I've seen commentaries from Mwamon Crawford bia omo e kan say aban and as I say court me kan ban but say court a sentence won't me a MPP so ba there are people are almost be dealing with them. Is it not making the case worse? As in, body we crab mention Ibrahim say they will do same.
Me say,
they are now catching because
it's not something. Enunti ena mani abre na me kire mi nsemu se chopa kra me pachew to stop it because ekoye ensem da ho na eda ho a oman pani no ankasa kan bia kire ye se ne nkrofo no ye bi di otu abanfo wo man mu Dominic Akurutinga ayini
I see 2 people within NDC friend is a party. Yamin, organizer, Abanga, Abanga, third vice chairman. One to be.
Yeah, refer match to them. Is that not the case?
Yeah, regional minister.
I'm investigating.
Dr. Frank Amakohine, allegation beto say o to be. It is somebody be wa. Yeah, let's be careful. Who to me there no, and yes, who to me no na etu. Yes, say one man crime will be a kutu. And two region how we original minister. No one here, na galam say koswa. Yabaka sa oka humbi. What you asem na ye kachre no? We original minister nya na utu. But galam say koswa already mu. We can call you for that.
Mube frɛ. That you am frɛ Dr. Frank Amako.
Me dear, asem na ye ka. Wo hwe obi asem a ekoswa, if it's injustice. Kwanya ye de papa na efa so no. E ya homtesem. Sa aban nankasa is finding it difficult to deal with illegal miners. Now they all blame one individual. So they went to my the concession. So, why do we do that? It's who that to be a friend will say who Reggie Muhana, we are head of security, no.
Reggie Bear Sam now.
I shan't tell Reggie Sam Namika. I shan't tell Reggie Sam Namika, illegal mining and Kosoa. It's a better blame Frank Amako and say what he had and illegal mining and Koso. Can we blame him for that? And yes, Sadia, Yen won't to Massam 2-2. That dachi you're pregnant. The young shall grow. Me Debia, I'm afraid of the youth. Me who youth are? Let me slow because the young shall grow. Yes, you and Yamabi. You're picking Yamabi. And Yamabi because we're in a dear and echo.
Former regional minister will be unfair.
Oh,
there's all no time, no more so illegal money because of region.
Me say, asem dawanam asem kana make
okay.
Me nka say be friend no. But me say, se obi concession, yetimi chi ni tum ana say, yetimi de ne court to say, wa hwe ma ne concession, obi aba ho a, abra wa proving nyina che say me tu one na mo say ya. Na ye say ye ntie, na de ebe ya na ebe ya. Sa so na obi a, wo ye regional minister. Anabo be na utu ye. Na utu ni papa mu ni say ekowie san amako nyene ekowie san what I say the baby sound that me that's my take
when Adam I'm going to prosecute
on the prosecute now on ka ho oni aban mu hey your friend of as regional secretary akwasha aban mu and on him ye nyina hye ne nsa me ti kura bo pru mu a ya amako nyene.
You don't mean it.
I don't mean it.
Hana.
There has to be a head of Reseka, I just say. Security, I just say.
So that's a security in Chesa who your office and I tear about Dima. I don't know.
Now, send go back to me to be a general gate here direct me. And
I Paul.
Now, you see, I'm a man who wants on one. Sure.
Oma, regional minister Hunton.
Yeah, Nene could say, yeah, be beer. But
that's ministers were comfortable with their way, you know.
Comfortable.
I said that way and
that's a mean security threat. And I mean, I'd say,
who feel it, who couldn't say, yeah, and also,
that mean, the hour, you know, I mean, yes, yeah. See, our courses are, only do our courses are, and go for a good interchange in us. Or the TV in other. Papa, and more, you know, for out, if you be share a color, we know web what TV I see her ball. Ewo interchange na si wa hu no anwumre bia wo te wo ehwebo abra wo yira wo foforo asa wo di akore ebebo oboso a je se wo do akole ya ama akore ne waja no ho a wo ti interchange ya si a wo di TV abi so wo hwebo
we it wo dey na ope na no wo call yi okọ ne wife a wo kwa bruchira ne wo ka ho asem saa they say wa ba ko mu
okọ ye no wo hu se emergency see confanote
na wa ba
waba wontre fie hwe akora no
na we ya we sa akora no wa
na akora no we akora nya no wo ne buyi wo wa hia wo ti
on tena fie hwe akwada no
me si wo ti ho hwe bo abra ye nyina hu sa wo yire wo ye nchen wo ti ha hwe bo a wo so ko boa wo yire ma wo yire ne hu han no kakra wa already na nka sa stress o yire dada hwɛ years ya wadi wa ware mu a odi awu nkwala wi egu ne so na foforo asa ba wo ntina fie hwɛ akwala foforo yi o ti ase no wa betra hwɛ bɔ minister mu a tontom ni ade o di malaria kra be ka akoye nkwala no fi ade a wo ye no no
Poyando. Hey, ready, Paul, Bekunipa. I anti so child, Beatrice Gabra.
Me so fine woman, journalism, no dear, unim papa. You show no one day met China, my baby's son.
Yo, Baba, health, sorry, oh yeah, health,
in patch of me.
Akoma FM 87.9.
Poyando say, I know many about because of the son in the year on any interview now, the personal life now. Also, every about them in call, grad,
so can I say?
I also on Canada, one carrying me.
So, John,
and Chairman,
Messer say, sometimes, Nemani be or mine a chichery. Nani ye muna yin a pen. But if say, yes, you be fighting corruption, you be fighting against bribery. And you may be where cost not and yet near see be fighting against
Akoma FM
87.9 a way out. Now that way no so no you sim say kwa e dan e bi be scapegoats. E bi so betimi afamu because omo strong people. I come out clean and clear. I mean I can say ye chi kwaku ana ye chi yaw. Say wakodi boni we. Enti ye de nkrata ne nsem gu nsaniani no. Ye hu say ne hote ne e kafa no hu nyina no enye no kre. Ye betimi ase wudin na mmomo no din say ni mu no. Ye beduru achi no. Ye hu say sansem ye kafa hu nyina no enye no kre. Enti say asemba ayen to your boss. How I see go about it. Now, there has been an issue with Chemaun to me, with Galamsey, with a lot of cases are ebo. Now, me like make I say why are they in aspect of being loyal to the original minister, the original chairman, because baby I will say to me giri na Paul hobby, and to I will say why are they because any pejina ebenya Akoma ebetimi do achi to that point say a fair court ya chill ya say no be actually Yoko ni ade nyina no you saw him around you good but me must say there were 16 regional chairmen in Ghana. Chairman to me kwa one seven naba. And you ask yourself say the other 15 is it quite say abronye so at the end of but then about 10 of them where are they? Are they omo nye bibia o man ni omo nye campaign ni bi. Omo kan sema ntia former president and omo nye bibi boni bia. So say a chairman to me there na ba. A governance aban mu na waba.
87.9.
And obedi so over 8 years. Some boy issue here came. And then they okay already related to regional minister and for baby. Me no nyadin won. Because there's a difference between a regional minister taking care of the region. So what I say, no BBSC or region anymore. He definitely will answer to it. Maybe what did I mention when I say? It's different from a private company. You dear, you did what concession say me ye juma waha. But what did I mention when I say? Me ye juma waha. And maybe I was subletting concession into another person. And then Nipano ye juma. What trying the boundaries? The people not trying the boundaries. Na say, you who say wakoye illegality be. Ewo concession na aban de ma wo ni mu a ye kwachi wan. Say don ye chi wan. Ye wo na ye de document ni bibia de ma on say. Wo de ye de we ama wo din na wo so. Enti wo de you are the first person to be contacted. The front here is say Master Bernard. Adwuma we ye de ma on enfie we. Asasi we the man fire adwuma we ABCD na ye dan ne ye hunu say kwaku manu mum na akoko gira ho instead of Bernard also actually say ampa o report to regional security council say mediade we ama we mu so omunya adwuma omo yiri say omo anye ne yie anase omo beyond the borders omo akotu ade ne wo bia nsuo mu ama the problem ahead aba enya me company no ene na yes adwuma no. Is there not a proof? Say John, is there not a proof? Until that will prove no ni ade ni nyina. Why do we establish our judicial system? And that is why the courts are there. And it's a who the who
state also I could defend you.
Also could defend you.
Waiting is a change judgment.
Good. And to be my say, unti be nka say obi di obi nani asi obi so. De bia me kasa asem we say 77. Ni ono na dwen say obeto asase. Ene de why na dwen say obesi abonsan. Omumie no mo tan no enye pe. Because who to asase na wo de wonim say wawie. That is your goal in life. Na de why na dwen say obesi abonsan scrappers esi so no. Woni wumie no no mo tan no enye pe. Nti wo na also be politics. What I say? Who na person winning the seat for the presidency? Nyame odom ba. Who na also be mining. And there are issues with it. And you stand as a man and face it.
87.9 Kumasi.
Ebi de papa yi komi. Cases ni ebebre. But ekono on say ebi fifrim. Aname boa. Ebi ho no mo de kwa mo say be adri. Ebia we need to sort this one out. Asem we there. Ebia de isusun ye no. From the Attorney General's office, there are cases here on the body, and even the beginning time that issues near identify. If you are to outline all those things, you realize that's why they attitude. Okay. It's in 70 bi o mo kafa na ho a na enye no kre. And as omo susu say na ekwa enim sa. But ebi susu wo mu a stand up to it. Me what the lawyer is saying or say on kobi on a read on the services are anya na yenya lawyer attach amana be
that's what appointing
it doesn't mean say adwuma no ntimi nkobi ebetimi akọ papa no say or no or read on the services. So you think that it's going to not be unfair? Necessary no say nya wo no akọ yes issues no na yanya wo ana ede sama boy case nyina ba na ye ya enti wonko one person wo ye galam say Ghana there be. But who dear anaba? It is a police in here. No one will be a trouble traffic light. Traffic are so green, are so red. No what chum, no now. Was the other one on Cochion? Okay. Who dear naba?
All right.
Let's do the right thing. Because you can say, and I want to be no one see this on best of which no sending you man on media. Agreed. Dr. Indium thereby. We all spoke against it. At the end of the day, Shenema saying in United, but we've still pursued it. You could do appeals court. Appeals court say, near we high court in some nyina no. Enya no correct.
Okay.
It is not, they did that thing, it's not fair. Fair as me biana, yando king. In the end of the day, this is the law.
All right.
Let them work. You really say, no hunting. As some no kind or the ampa or report to here, or report to original security council, or moko check here, yenya witnesses. Then where do we go from here? So let the law work. At the end of the day, you can go to appeal.
Yeah, that's a part. Doctor time that's all. Diabetes, stroke, hypertension. Doc say bra. Ya dia no say kontomri, ya dia bia kontomri na ni so. Oba show ma ho ato de bra to so kama. Ebua kwa kuma se mufuma ni ntire mu ebua kwa. Ene 87.9 abai school no na hwe ni mo crown so no ye poku asema ira kwa no so be hu yan. For number was 0244 774 282. Edupak se men kancho se nkwada na nche na omu ebeko senior high. Na omu kono omu trunk chop box plastic one no. And if a mattress ni pillow no anane tono aye adeso ade ama wofo we dey omo say to boase now the dial is *713 *821 hash *713 *821 hash and I call ADB branch bia no kwa o say edupak no ho hie nyina no bema kama na watu ya ho sika watu sika no a e bema receipt sa receipt no kwala ne bi school a e place na fakọ GS age atum say eyenti no omo de some information be ma edupak no omo de niema na akọ de ama kama you know say bia wo fiura so am bia what Tony Managum come out could draw Ashishan, come. So stress in no Edupac AF. So for a number, I was 0500 60 0607 0500 600607 0302 955050 0302 955050 and dear tell no Paul my member hope you na me nua ba ko e wo Facebook I see this
Akoma FM 87.9
project no was more commission here was asu ko 100 bags of cement until obusa say project ya commission any asade bags cement bags asa ko gurem
no make say Sevilla an original hospital was Sevilla and a president Akufo
okay but when ye aferi na mu hu cement and mu hu cement
yes e ho na me ko hu wo okay na ma me nka bibi kakra mfa me nua ya asem na me mani hu se ye wo mra ye wo court ye wo rule of law so e wo say ye adwuma untumi de
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi
na o ka bibi se ye wo ada chairman na omo wo ho a ye nye wo mo sa hwe mami establish bibi ncho ye se edomani sa do osunden intakrache ye wo 11 ye friend is saying seats ene wo bono region meboa MPP fo wo mu say one no say meboa oko ahafua I think 6 or 7 constituencies ye wo mu one oko central region 22 no ye wo mu 2 Greater Accra 34 seats, you know, you move forward to 5. What do you say?
87.9.
Yes, Oba Ashanti region 47 seats, you move 39. Minority MPCO move 87, no. Won't to inquire more 39.
Ashanti region more they said 40 and 39.
39.
And this you equita 7.
And independent.
Yo.
What I say? 39. Won't you cry? Yes, now, Bisane say, when who case ya, ye dear nipa bako. And yes, sir, court to be na kase, yendi won't to me, my name lines is who. I buy to me na dinner lines.
87.9.
I buy to me na season the pickups, season the excavators, the bank account, ye freezy, the mobile money, ye freezy, or reported 3 days, Ibia or Yoko. Or reported 2 weeks to be our police cells, police CID.
And the moment so can.
You're blocking the BBR, the bank BBR. What's in your time there? Your sister in Taria, your sister in Pabua.
And did you maybe
what you say?
Now the almost son in
Negire cast, Bemanakasa cast. Now if we say a day. Who is there then? Hey, what time? Hey, what time? Bisa, be a man. They said to them, Mr. Bisa, where a style, bang. A military and answer a democracy. Democracy must answer. Democracy, a rule of law, Juma. Civil way of inviting people, civilized way. Your truck rat, bro, what responded, what reported, where the Onua Kokra near channel. No, me person who difference na what the case in the the difference is that I am personal.
How?
One who say a season bin tare da. Me pacho. One who say a season bin tare da. One who say a season bin pamwada. One who say a me nyelo na dey me common sense.
Na your common sense na court.
Na ka dey na court. Law no every common sense mu. Go and check baby a law free buy. Law free common sense.
Common sense na can court there. Say
no, I just want to establish to you say
but you feel that the one who nyina no who say personal.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine.
I know na you can was enti o ka say na ensese na ye hwe mamra ni mra be na be ye adwuma se nkoti sa obi ntare ne mpaboa ni mobile money ya freeze nye mra o aban to me na ya sa de no adenti na ye nipa sa.
Okay.
Aban to me.
Another minister.
That's how we feel.
Minister near press conference one tiana.
Let's leave that one too.
And you've not followed the case.
Yeah,
you've not followed it.
And Paul Okako we saying.
Make we say your best say prepare your enya adwuma. Or time no doors wo won to me so. Say ye didn't fasa or how near bebre say all because of person ye national chairman of a party.
That's fine.
And yes, or person ye minister. Or person ye national chairman of MPP.
Now the no national chairman court of embassy.
court for who say. Now say idea is not fair.
Do you think that it be affecting the chairmanship? So petty.
Now time across also delegates no. Now also a court. Yes, I do way. It's going to affect.
He's still doing well with
and
the
I'm
campaign.
saying, one I send the whole day, I send the won't cry. Because they are 2 minutes to me, I don't know where I will be. Okay. What I say, they are all famous, say I block you. Now, me freeze me bank account and send you welcome me. You freeze your account, freeze you mobile money. O cash, you know, to me high cards, I know what they are answer.
Right, Poyando. Brapon, I mean 2 minutes be in Sweden only the 2 minutes be.
In Sweden, the Macachre will say, in so I be yiri dear.
Akoma FM 87.9.
What you say? A natural disaster. I know about won't mean your own shade. What you say? A dear natural, no. You can't stop it. In so quantity a better good from you don't have control. What you say? Maybe a better good so no need control also. You find your politics. Now, so you know, say no, including the president, John Mahama, at the year politics every time in Subeto. Okay, can say, ya kwajisika kra wo World Bank kra no a yemfa nya adwuma. No, specifically, Ministry for Sanitation na President Akufo Addo Atina was say what the behwe ma insuri aba fom na ye ga testimony ade no etimi aye yie no on the oba obegu no ampa so wagu no na ode bekwa akɔhye local government ase menua se nhihye bi wo ho na wo say adewe emwa na mom de kɔ ha ene bebo a it's expected say ekuduru ha that expected results no say wo say show ananya sa yes ena yen so entiase say eyen nhihye a wodi begu akwa mu ena ebeboa ma say disaster kura etowa what you say betimi enya arehwemu o say me ba na make hospital asem ye kyerɛw say me nka say nipa nyare but say nipa yare a there should be enough beds and I say a facility betimi take care of and anya sa netie ye nim time ensuo to Ghana enti time ensuo ento enra metie ezuba ewa ha sei wo say ni excavator bi akotim wo ba bi afi no wo san akoha excavator foforo akoyi excavator e kire wo say wonye proactive say ensu tobre ni mu no afi na wo de excavator akosim say wo de kotin say wo beka eti so ni ntoye no e na obeye the Sultan. I will always praise the former regional minister Simon Semensa on any day. Ashanti region. Say Oshe say flood areas here in Sutra. Nyina Oshe see no quite. No sani MMDCs no kwa pamwa. First quarter of the year biano. Omuye the Sultan. Ansana nsuo no akwakoto. What you say? What them say atonsu eslai ho na nsuo to a eyiri wo mo ewo ho pa. Yeah. What you say?
Eslai Kuwait.
Kuwait no. Who say na e masa de ni bi.
Eba no they were here.
They
were here.
But this year so na control but previously no those places also President Kufo time crowd there yetimi yanraga for we e ko Sokoban ko creative wood village e wo ho ma omo what you say oko friends gardens ho no a who say na nsuo no from the car roundabout ho no ATC from Marcos Santa on say ho no na you were flooding with power. And just any money, it's a idea. You find your politics, but when you make politics out of it, man, Penny tax force. Our deputy chief of staff. I is a member with a chairman. Almost a helicopter. It's almost a helicopter. Almost a crown and position. Okay, that's them. They ain't for Sobia or today. They can be
Chairman, 2 minutes be on this one.
We need to work and enforce the laws. Indiscipline. And I say, Nima be brave or mine. Ain't floods there, setting up all canana. There's nothing we can do about it. It rains never. And we know the seasons. Zeonamwana meteo for no ascend like we get the messages around. It will be raining in the evening. And it tells you say we have the plan. And then if we can desilt, ebeye juma. Name womu sit down see water path. Womu tu regu ekwan mu ni ade a ekoso a enye no. What do we do about it? Ya yem running bebre. How do we enforce the laws? Se pese yo mine muti na niema timi koso ye a the enforcement of the laws. Okay. Because I'm running the bebre. Men sit down in see or we see you e dey na was here. Okay. And I said before so we sit down. Who gave the permits? Should there be punishment? Sanima we say na was koso. And that is why na me relate untumi case here. Na minian enemy ka said enye democracy enye we. You see when people
democracy man.
Democracy.
Chama no dey mami.
Say mami. And they are and to what that's an ambeka. Make sure say ento so ye ne say we do the right thing at the right time. Yeah. It must have say say obi beji permit. Na say baby o dey dan ni kosi no ho ye nsuo mu a eni kwase ye man kwan. Okay. Ne o man kwan man say permit man si sa dan so no. He should be punished. And it's a man started say yeah juma sa na enforce sa mrana. Sa na ma we no with time e to be chat. But then the bia no ye twan am nsuo ne ba na afi ye be ya na kasa na basa na ye ntigata ni mu and before and aban we no the laws are already there.
The laws are
Let's
there.
Enforce it.
Let's enforce
the law. Punish people about their wrongdoing. Okay. Near punish man. It will be a setup for everybody. Over now be who say ade we be ye punish no. Usidansi or ye bui. The Oma permits and so you're 2 years and 3 years. Like the law worked there. Oh, mommy, the same thing. But we are now free. Near the policies no free. And I will say no. I say near Casa near Jaya. We will have this things every year.
Every year. Germany that's a pa. Oh yeah, that's it. That's it. And I say Zubansu a issue a disclaimer be. Say yeah oh yeah no. Kwan na omo ye nua na omo bu no. Enye oxygen omo ye no nemum. Ose osrewa.
Hwɛ
emfane meka ho
me fa no meka
se bi ono so yi
oxygen say December me ana me wa na akofa ba wo unim say December and regional minister amako hine ka kire say Kase bridge ye ko hwe ya bridge no okay me pa to ukwa untwamu wo ho ye nye what you say say bridge ye wo eyi George achiwe eduru say eduru Santasi bubu roundabout eduru say
I don't usually move no more.
And I'm saying, I do same bridge now. Yeah.
I know a different contractor. I know the shop now. They are Canadian.
Now the shop no to
Jaika for never. Jaika never be trust. That's Paul. Thank you. I'm sure for Yami Adonwa Father's Day no Sunday. So Paul will be there. Paul will be here until ya mumra. Na bibianya fine. Nemum golden bean so and so the so ebebaso. I say lunch no 12:30 to 4 na dinner nso ato so ti bo modern say nso betimi aba na odi eja ba be di kama delicious meal I mean and I feel so live band tiam and the akanyina but I hope say o reserve table and I say odi nkomo ahead of mokono number near 0501 41 8219 0501 41 8219 and 0501 333 888. Now, Yanka, na here minua we so your friend Daniel Kofi Dampak or your manager the ma Joe Dolls New West Company or Swami branch. And minua manewa would a friend we free akwasi and Boache Dampak. Some we say Daniel Kofi Dampak. A special birthday. Happy birthday to you, brother. And I feel so. And then Lady Gaga or Adanse Apunyase. We're free. Asunaba Kofi Jemfi. Morning show host our cross 105.5 FM Accra. Also, we say happy birthday. Lady Gaga. Adanse Apunyase. And then with a happy birthday to you. Laura Fosu Pokia. Mami Pokia na dodo na freo. Or basic 1 or Kenatha International School. And then I would a happy birthday to you from your mom. and dad, Mr. and Mrs. Fosu Pepra. Almost mujina number 6 24 to 26. So ekasi nyankopon insha pa. And I feel so Madam Reggie. Your president Edema Park Ladies Ewo Offenso. Madam Reggie, happy birthday to you. And Ewa yes, Alaska. I wish you happy birthday. Honorable Alaska no offenso. I also wish you happy birthday. And I feel so, and then so Madam Hannah Donko, aka Teacher Hannah. Madam, and when you're 94 years. Happy birthday to you. Madam Hannah Donko, happy birthday to you. Sounds so we so Kodiama Ayene Ekia Abigail. And then Wawoda, happy birthday to you. We your former classmate, senior high school, Edema Minia Tofik Mohammed, regional correspondent Edema Channel 1 TV. I say Obompa is Yankopo because we shall no yoke Senabia, Bibianso Koyi, at the amount. Happy birthday to you. Ayene Ekia Abigail. Happy birthday to you. Last one, Ekodiama Maureen Jewel Sisa Nyako. Maureen, happy birthday to you. Your friend Ohima. We from Mami Gifty Asante Nafi. Danny, the hit maker, Ewo Fox FM. Danny, my brother. Also wish you happy birthday. Emilia, as one as Emilia, our message na be drew. That's a power for your message. And I know Pemunia Yadamasi. Semunya Brediti Akoma 87.9 FM. Yeah, caught Niakofa live worship no Eddie Abba. And what she Tony Best Ebetwaso. Yanko yard much na. Another day. Yame Ebon Peso Beshi Shedi Amaya near Timia Sumo my Ghana. Yanko Ama watching Ibishia.